First Flame, you know it's your girl Kayla, aka GPS. And I want to shout out to all my fans, all of the people that comment in the comment section and motivate me to do better. I love you guys so much. I don't reply back to the message that you may not have time because filming take a pull for time. I shoot for some people, you understand? So I'm busy, but I still soon message them sometime. My friend I scroll through them when we see it. And I appreciate you guys so much. And I love you guys. Guys, I wish we could have told the name of the movie about the interview, yeah, you know. It do before the movie even don't edit. So I don't know the movie name, but I think I want a nice movie. It's very watchable. Oh yeah.
I call the tea bag then because guys, to all me tired because yeah, 4 tea bag come like me I got sick, but I'm fighting it because I don't want to get sick. If I get sick, it's not gonna be no more movie. And a good news and bad news. We're going to Panama in December, but I definitely want to take Kayla with me and some of the crew. But if anybody out there wanna donate and help sponsor some ticket, no problem. You can, each person can send 1,000. It doesn't matter. Jamaican. We don't talk about US in the coming. Nobody go say US. We say no. Listen good. 1,000 Jamaican, but anybody in the overseas wanna send even $10, $5. No problem. We want to get Kayla on the trip. We don't want to leave Kayla behind. And also Che is behind the camera. We want to take both of them because they deserve that trip. So those are only the 2 that I need to bring on board. So if anybody want to help, please DM me at this number, please. And I'm begging you. It doesn't matter how much you have. I could have $100. It would help. One cocoa full basket. Blessed. Peace out.
Nice girl like you, man. I'm doing your sort of friend.
You're not a friend?
Yeah, man, I'm a friend.
Oh.
What's my name?
Who?
Your name?
Oh, my name is Kayla.
You call me Trey.
Oh, nice to meet you, Trey.
Yeah, so.
Me and the son. Oh, how are you?
Oh, I decided.
So you look a picnic?
No, you know me use clean me ears.
Your ears dirty?
No.
So you could clean your ears if you come on the road?
I make you a beer, so.
Oh, me a beer?
Something.
No, so you come on the road, they clean your ears and you look hot, you like me.
So something wrong with me?
What's not wrong with you? You look like a child. I'm a hot girl. Top
To me, I
girl.
clean my ears, I be like, if me did the walk with the dirty ears now, you see me, and then I chat to you and go looking at me, they say, so your ears dirty?
You're looking at your ears.
You would looking at me ears?
When you do clean inside your face, me I look.
So you're single though?
Yeah, me not let nobody.
You live in the area?
Yeah, me live it so.
I'm not going to come visit you on the inside.
This is who? Me?
Can't
Yeah,
give me
no.
number.
Me not on phone pam right now, but my parents them are mad so bad
Me have
them.
phone.
Oh, let me give me number.
Your parents don't know about me.
But-
know about me.
If you want to get the coochie, you have to have money.
Money all this, baby girl.
She say money?
I mean,
You can give her
nice
50
girl like
grand.
you. I mean,
You have it now?
that's it. No, me have it for me hard.
Let me give me number.
Give me number now.
Thank you.
So you normally come out here though?
Yes, me I don't come out, but me come out.
Oh.
So, me have to, me don't tell you, call me and later after I done chat to my friend, me can link you.
Skin clean though.
Yeah. You want to touch it?
You can't touch it.
Yeah, can't touch it.
Guys.
Make sure you have money.
Me enough money, man.
Alright, bye.
Me watch the call in. Make sure you have the phone in.
Yes, you have the phone, come on the money.
Boy, girl, let's see. You stay.
I remember how to
You may have come look for, but me have to stretch from early cause you already know me and the dog they done this and like me, so me did have to warm up my body for running.
They never back off of me.
That are you or your friend
So-
right there.
Miss everything like girl.
Speak.
Miss me only could pamper man done this so.
Aye.
But money, but me don't want him. But me don't know what I go do but long as me I get the money. I want the money.
Me understand about here you know. What if you continue to take one man money and when he come find you or something and you do something bad to you? How you go?
Nothing bad now happen. Because remember say you're my friend and you can't fight. And me can't fight.
Okay.
You beat him up for me.
Aye. Either ways. Come on go back up on the yard.
Yeah.
Yeah. Me say yes already girl. Me now walk past the dog them done this.
Well, I'm telling you where I come from.
Where? Speak.
Over Joe, over the old man yard.
Where do over this?
I'm going to go wine for him so. I get
Tell her.
money. Mr. Girl, just wine so.
You just wine so?
Yeah, I saw if you buy a little can grape. I'm stash other some money.
How much money I get for that?
20,000. I'm saying only now since I be just wine. I'm just touch him, just rub him down. I'm just go mwah. And blow him kiss.
Because me feel sense them not function right. You get so much money now.
But
But you think a $2,000 in for you and you get so much money?
You're not going with nothing. You steal out. You don't want nobody.
No, yeah, no. You see? Me did go over here, you know. But I know from us draw one. You see him brother one? Yeah, me go over there. And when me see old man who say, anyhow you walk past and you twerk for me give you 100,000. Me say, no, that too enough. And so I say, me don't believe that. So he say, alright. Then he say, you want proof? And me say, yeah. He say, twerk. I'm just turn on and go so. And when me do that, then no, me see man just start flinging money for me, so you want me grab them up. He said, do it again.
Tell me again.
Do it again, I'll make you 100 more.
Do it again.
Yes, me say when me do that, when me look girl and wife, me say I come. Me say me just creep when me can't creep and me zoom gone. Me say, girl, when me reach up, me say, go, me have to hide from my mother and something go put on the money. Yes,
You take so? You take so?
yeah, me it go like say we go over the toe. Yes, I'm hit the jackpot. I know you. I me say
No,
anytime
yes,
me look no and wife that me see I come, so me grab up on me, I grab up and me run go over. You see? Yeah. So I hit
on the other man.
You could have clocked him done man. I'm gonna go back over the report again.
Next day I go, I come and to work too.
Yeah, and that's why me did I call me to tell you my good news.
no, sounds like that easy, man.
Hello, sir.
Oh, how long you last?
No, my last year from here.
What me look like? Me look like me not get fire?
I said that first time me I see you.
Alright, first time me I see you. How we a try pull? Stun palm me? Eh?
Anyways.
No, talk and no touch. You're a stranger. Talk and no touch.
You're sick, you have
The
no
last
yeah.
woman touch me, she breathe. Don't touch me.
Then that's nothing wrong with that.
No, nothing wrong with it. Don't say that. You can't say that. You don't know if me can maintain, baby. No matter, you see, uno woman, that's always a problem, you know. Can you tell you a man, you just go lead with a man?
You look nice though.
No compliment me. Me not look nice. Don't do it. Me look raggedy.
What do you?
Don't do it. Me pick me tell me that every man.
I first one woman actually attack you or something, make it like one so.
No. Come on, tell me.
Then what issue?
The issue is.
Something about you, man. Not tell us.
No. Not tell me about no something about me. If you try to impress a man, be elegant.
Elihu?
Elegant.
Elihu?
Elihu.
Anyways.
No. Why you can't talk without the
My
touch?
name.
What's your name?
My name Alien.
Oh, alien.
Yeah.
Which one are the alien?
The person.
Oh, the person.
Obviously, I mean the person.
You don't sound like a you because every time you tell us I don't touch, you still touch.
So what's so hard? You're afraid of woman or something?
No, I don't afraid of woman. That's something you beg. Because anytime woman I beg, then start calm down nicely and start rubbing it down. It's just like when you text a man on WhatsApp and you say hey, and the man say hey. Check them out. Me teach you how to beg when you look a fake self. When you text a man about hey, and the man say hey. Yeah, no, what's up? The man said nothing. When the man asks you, you say about bad. Because guess what? And when the man asks why, you start leading to the problem.
Me and other people are the same thing.
No, I try to show no woman feel like you're smart. You only text man when you want something.
Alright, me get straight to the point. Me see how me like yeah, me did that one day if you could have buy me a juice.
Same damn thing.
Awa.
Buy you a juice. I just know me, I mean I know you.
So now some people get to know each other.
Alright, you don't mind me ask you, say, like how me just know you. You don't mind give me a...
If you ever.
See? So I'm trying to show you. So.
Woman and man are two different things. Come on, baby, get to know each other first. Like, no money for you, we could have gone place go. You know?
Come here, Coachy.
Just go drink, chill and relax.
No. Me have me picking, me not drink. Me have one girl picking me. And me no want drunk. Me want to make sure say me see every wrong that she do.
So you don't have no form of money.
Hello.
Like, fire, nothing.
Hello. Are you digital? Don't touch me. Back away. Please. Go and talk to pastor. I think you need blessing. Back away.
Just relax.
Me say back away.
Afraid of woman?
No, I'm not afraid of woman. Just back
So
away.
make you act so weird.
Okay, you move like digital.
Just
Back away. Don't come near me. You hear me? I say?
I've been fun.
I shut your back so tight. You see?
Sit. You have money.
I will shut. Open up your mouth. Make me make Wally talk.
You
Just
don't like me.
open up your mouth.
Make it talk now, but you know, the right way.
Girl, go on where you go. Unu go make man take unu away. I'm bury unu. Can't not licky. Go on. You're not unu me a dollar in my wallet. Go on. Go on. I'll phone
You
mama.
afraid of woman? Boy.
I'll phone mama and father. I want to know how they maintain unu. Unu, for me go no one dumpling a day.
Girl? And if you get to my mind, talk about your father all there.
How me forget man, I'm just tell you when me do and get nearly almost 100.
Get one man come put in here. Me tell me go do. I go start bury your house. You know, father there can my little spooky doing there. You know, you stop.
They can't do that because my father rarely there. Sometimes he got drink rum and so and from when him say one cut out that the habit there, I know we can't cut out.
Girl, come tell one man if you do one day. So if I drink a joke, you tell one in the road and beat him.
No, me not beat me pa. I him give me look a chin sometimes. You better you say when he did that we can roll him down one hill and some, but we not beat him. That
But we not beat him hot.
How we are there? I can't go on the road in peace and come back and see nobody here. Eh? What me always teach you, sir?
And we might talk to.
We ever teach me
It's
that?
sweet.
Yeah?
Huh?
We ever teach me say?
I teach you that I tell you not to follow bad company.
I tell you not to follow bad company. Because I don't see the bad company.
No.
Let me help you look.
No, me know say I'm mad somebody you are follow. And you are following my mad. You are
No, you say bad company, so me I look for it because I know say I know she a bad company. You can't
No,
see
they
somebody
can't
where we
fall.
can't see.
Blow in my eye, blow in my eye, blow in my eye. I'm still not see it, so I don't know where they talk about. My bad company there.
Daddy come
My bad company there.
I roam, my roam and make you see doubles in no daddy.
Hey, come and I want to argue with people.
Me say I go to school, right? And you're out school. I'm a plan to say I go to sixth form. And she say she a pastor daughter, matter of fact. And I see you want to follow.
Then a good son that a pastor daughter she
Right.
Me a follow her so that me can get closer to
I'm a
God.
father of the pastor, not me. My father.
Right.
I'm not a Christian. And them are the Christian. I'm not a deacon. And them are that. Never me. I never go to church to do all of that. But anyways, girl. Well, you know, you have up me, you know, come on, sit down, but you know, you really have up me, you know.
So you got to be paying you know?
No, before that, I try to look up, I try something first.
What that?
So I want to put this on.
So me I try to show you. Stop notice people wallet. Stop notice people wallet.
Oh, you know say what you have there.
Stop it. Stop it, man. And you sit down. Sit down.
I look, me want look.
Sit your backside down. We talking.
You know, you're really handsome.
Really? Come out of me.
Go top look my father.
Your father got money. Me want money, man.
So tell me, if my father got money, you really think so we'll live yourself? Come on, the
Come on.
condition of your house.
Come out of me yard.
Anyways, let's go check my man right now, because your father not going with nothing.
Go on.
You see, if you ever see you bring her back here, you see them 2 foot there? Now pop them so.
Daddy, you're barely there. So if me bring her, yeah, you're not gonna see to pop my foot there. So,
Okay. So show me barely there. You can't come here. Alright, if you think you're bad, can't come here tomorrow. Can't come here tomorrow if you think you're bad. Never on the road. Can't come here tomorrow.
go on.
Because just use me too and one clap in your ears them together. Go on in.
Me not ready to go.
Me say go on in. Go on in.
Every time you're abusive, so that's why mommy left you.
Your mother left me because me know the truth about her. Go on in.
Which truth that there? So
You
you
don't
never
even,
tell.
you don't even know. Alright, that's how I feel. Yeah?
How do you get the money out of myself?
Me tell you, say, at the time, at the month, the bottom of hurt me, I said it hurt me bad.
So they can't know where you live.
In due time, we know that, man. Don't worry about that, you soon will start me live.
And even stay a little bit time now and relax in my place.
Relax in your place and touch up here and everything.
Well, you come on, you can't that. You can't be good.
Me can't take good on my hand. So, I work 50, I work 60 grand.
You mean you see your body look good?
Oh, that's what I like. Me promise you money, they're going to get.
It's all good tomorrow.
No, it takes 5 days to get.
5 days. So I have to wait more than 5 days.
Yeah, then I call link and
This is
fix it
true,
up
me like you,
properly.
man. Go wait for 5 days.
Alright, back home. Bye. Here?
Best day warm in my chest.
Yes, then if you want. Bye. Go on over now?
I'll go over.
So go on.
Make sure you text me now.
Yeah.
Alright.
Later.
Later.
Take on no spot me if you come to my yard.
What we plan to do with Kayla?
Well, she a big girl and she have one a subject, that's all we have to do.
Have 5 subjects Kayla have, you know. Kayla have 5 subjects, you know. And when if you talk to Kayla, you know, last night me get a vision about Kayla, you know, and the vision I me get was not a good vision, you know. He Karabasaya. Me get a vision last night, man. It was not a good vision about Kayla. When if you talk to Kayla before we go to work.
So what kind of vision I get about her?
After when we go up on the road, we talk.
No, we have to talk about it
can't
right
talk
here, so
about
no,
it
me
now.
want to know what kind of
We
vision
can't
you get
talk
out
about
of
it now.
Why?
We need to talk to Kayla first.
Well, if you say you can't talk about it now, and I feel with data, and you can't talk about it now, me need to talk about it now.
Kayla,
I don't feel comfortable.
Yes, Daddy.
come here. Come here, my daughter.
My daughter has good daughter, so I know what kind of vision you see you with it. Eh?
We need to talk to you now, Kayla.
No, Daddy, me not do nothing.
Kayla, you have 5 subjects. Kayla, I know why you follow no company, no Kayla. I no grow you see no Kayla. I grow no one Christian home, no Kayla. Kayla, you have 5 subjects and some company, me say you keep, no Kayla. Isn't that a good company, them, no Kayla?
But I'm around with my friend them. They alright, they're not bad.
Oh, you know that, Kayla?
Cause I'm my friend.
Kayla, me I talk to you. Me your father, me love you, no. You're my one daughter. Me love you, Kayla. Me no want nothing to you.
Hey. Don't listen to him. He say he get a vision about you. And me ask you what kind of vision I get about her. And she can't tell me.
Kind of vision I get, mommy?
Kayla, me get a vision last night, say, one girl beat you.
Me?
Kayla, me get the vision last night. You know anything when your father got in bed, go sleep and dream and get up and see. I see him so you go, Kayla.
No, that dream didn't walk straight.
And it can go walk straight in
Thank
Kayla.
you. There's a gym don't walk straight.
This a dream I go walk straight in
You
Kayla.
know walk straight.
And you see with you know as a mother must set a mother responsibility. Stand up as a mother for your daughter. You get what me I say? I
But
told you
like
have
that,
to
me,
do this.
listen to me. Adapt me. You see, you get a vision. And me tell you, say, talk about the vision. And stop telling people nonsense.
Then me not talk about the vision and me tell me say me go me
And
go
I
and
feel like
somebody
they say, no go so.
Alright, nothing no go so.
No go
You wait
so.
till until push come to show. You will see if nothing no go so.
so.
And as a mother,
me here.
you see all you?
Alright.
You see all you? No follow, no follow.
Don't follow
See all
him.
you?
You ever go here bed and dream about something?
Right.
You can't go bed and dream. Say,
Because God give me a gift.
Thank you.
There's a gift that God
Are
has
you take
given
it
me.
clean?
God give me the gift there. So you're my only daughter, me get a vision, me must can talk to you.
Kayla,
Yeah.
what one?
Show me there, girl. You good?
Yes, I am very much good. Tell me
Hey!
why you're morning.
Stop.
Good morning.
Okay.
Good morning.
Say that, see me. I saw me
Good
say,
morning,
Okay.
Mr.
Good morning.
Okay.
And good morning, Mrs. Smith.
Okay.
Yes. I saw you every time me come up here to you, your family Lord.
I thought they said they have a vision for me.
No, not
Oh.
me.
Oh, my father said he get a vision, say somebody beat me.
Either way, me come to invite you out on the road. You coming?
Yeah, me I come.
What's your
No, we
You
don't
know
do
what
nothing
to
bad. We are going library, we are going study.
Kayla, you can't say me no want you, Kayla. Kayla, you can't say me no want you.
Oi, you tap your hands, you know. Who's friend? Come here.
No, me at best. Me tell you
Which
library, we
one
are
is?
going to study, you know.
We got library to study.
Yes,
All
we
right.
plan to do
You didn't
fifth
tell me about
form.
library.
No, Miss tell about library. It slipped my mind. It slipped my mind.
So all that's visit your man.
Because of library and she motivate me to look. I mean, I want to go, you know. The one time.
Mr. Lincoln, you need to fix your veranda, yeah? I want to think say this sturdy but January, the most really complicated.
So why you come to see one by?
Well, and them your out of that company, I'm pretty say
No,
you
yeah, I don't alter that.
alter
A safety precaution. Me I tell you, what if no you they come here and sit down here so and then you jump off? How we go? Eh? You can't see me number 1 year no. You see me?
You're not go for around ground.
But
The greatest thing you're not go for around ground.
Alright. Here know everybody. You. Make sure you do your phone already now.
No, left the yard.
Don't left the yard. Come here,
Alright.
come in the one late.
Okay, we not left the yard. We not bother left the yard.
yeah, we not bad at it. Me I go just go down and go feel book them and we come back up as a course.
No, you not bother go to the book. Me have book in my house.
Oh,
We borrow them Bible.
yeah.
Okay.
We are
Yeah.
going to keep the portion.
You know, I forgot right, Daddy.
Yeah, me I go work.
Okay.
I'm going to work.
Have a nice
But make
day.
sure me come back, me see in the yard.
Yeah, come
And
across
when
me
me
right
mean
so.
in the yard, me mean in the yard.
Yes, right just said at the yard.
Read me lips. In at the yard, me want to see you when you come back.
In at the yard, you want to see me when you come back.
That what I just said.
Yeah, in at the yard.
Okay, so I'm going to work
In at
now.
the yard, yes, yes. Yeah, don't be
I
late.
got work now.
So what you want me to come back for you?
Anything. Anything.
Anything
Come back
say
here.
that shop? Hey, anything say that shop?
Yeah.
So
Come
we
back,
got
come back
shop
on
for
juice.
all
Come back on juice.
Alright.
So anyway, me I come go work and make sure say me see unu in the yard. Me see you in the yard.
Me inna the
and
yard.
don't go on the road because if vision on me get, me think say one girl beat you.
You see you? You
You
see
see
your
the face.
Hey, stop it even mate. I get the face. You see how your face look?
How my face look?
You don't see a snail on the grass.
No. Me no know snake on the grass. I am a very honest kid. I grew up with my
Anyway.
grandmother in church.
Anyway, me I gotta work and me no want it.
Anyway,
Bye, mommy, bye.
me I come go work myself too. And me no want late myself. And make sure say me come back and sit in the yard. And
Right,
when
that's
me in the yard and don't follow no company.
See, mommy, I'm going
And you
to
say if you not teach me pick me nothing good, don't keep in company.
Understand.
Cause this is a Christian home. I saw me grow my pick me.
Yes,
You get what me say?
Yes.
Alright.
Yes, daddy. Yeah.
Yeah, girl, you really make this and I talk to you. Come on,
Let me
girl.
talk to them. Because
But
we are could be too late, we can't go with the far. Man, not which girls up think them bad to walk on the
One day. Either way, come here. Look here. You see when we go around, we're going to create our own destiny.
Yeah.
You can't make them tell you what to do. Yeah, yeah.
No, nobody can run my head. I want to do road, me young, I want to do road, I
No
want to mash
wonder
up
how you
road.
put up with them for so long. Them are going to talk about, oh, you know, this way,
When me I go
that.
move, when me I go move.
You can't call it with me, no?
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah.
Where you yard? Where you
What
yard?
type of friend you be?
But
Me yard they done this so you know come at me yard every time I come there you want me tin mackerel missing.
that little broke down board house there. You can't move outside, come down there.
But Koya, feel better?
You kind of better than yours. Because right now, it's something in my mind. Yes, you
Come there
know,
must go. Come.
you have to see me doing now.
Me know.
Do again. Do again.
Meet again.
Oh, no, we don't meet again. We don't meet again. I'm free to walk on the road. You're free to walk on the road. You don't meet
Stop
me.
going like you don't like me.
Me will charge you for harassment.
Oh, I'm telling you, I want to hear your friend, man.
Oi, me will charge you for harassment. Only when a woman look something, you know man. Listen,
Me not
this is
look
not.
nothing. Me can't. I like me see and like you can't just relax. Calm down.
Oh, you like me?
Yeah,
What you like about me?
everything. You just look good.
We look good.
Mm-hmm.
You
You
sure?
look nice. I'm like you. This is my talk.
Yeah, talk without touch.
Me like your shirt.
Uh-huh.
Me like your pants.
Uh-huh.
Me like your pants and me
I search your certain pocket and see. God, I show you a sign because you see your God a flashlight because God knows that. Right. Father, only woman is only looking for man with money.
Me nah look for the man with money. I try to tell you say you look dapper today. You look very good. You put together. Me like how you look.
Put together.
You look nice. You look like you can buy me a drink today.
Buy you a drink today?
Yeah.
You go to church?
I'm a. Me a.
Mm-hmm.
Me go one of them so. Me go yes. Me go church and the Bible says
Yeah.
that we must not
Uh-huh. Uh-huh.
go against the Bible.
That's all you know?
Yeah, and it's that a woman who finds a man finds a good thing.
No! It's not so it goes, Miss Love.
Me believe in a Jesus!
Yeah,
And
yeah.
he sent me right here to do that.
Yeah,
You are the man for
yeah.
me.
You believe in a Jesus and
Yes.
you say the righteous and you say me the right
Yes.
man. A liar.
Oh,
That's a liar.
look how you look.
That's not Jesus talk to you.
Talk to you. You
Yes.
don't look nice.
Yes, Jesus.
I want you don't want me.
Huh?
You don't
When
want
it's just appropriate,
something that just appropriate.
No.
Something a long twice, a
No.
long blouse.
anybody when we tie fish show and look apple in front of them, it's not a good man. Anybody will try if you push up them boobs to man and I rub down man pocket and I check if money in the pocket here or money in this one or money in the back pocket, it's not a good man.
Oh, you guys are stingy. That once and
It's
me
not
I like me
stingy.
like you. Me like you. Listen up. Me like you. I mean, I want me
No.
to start.
You say if you didn't like me, don't approach me like that.
Me like you but true.
No.
Me sorry. Me approach you better. We'll meet again.
No, the wrong approach. Do it again. Do it again. Let me show you.
Hello.
No.
Me not in this video. You like me or you
Let
not
me
like
teach
me?
you. Oh, you're going to be a real lady.
Okay.
You see, if you want a good man,
Yeah.
this is how you get a good man.
Yeah. Oh, I get it.
If I walk, you see me walk past on the road. Excuse me, sir. Can I have a little minute to see? You call him over, right?
Yeah.
You ask him his name. You ask him where he's from.
Yeah.
You get to like, you tell him, say,
No, I'm listening. Yeah, listen to you.
where you from, right? You ask him all of that.
Yeah.
You take his number.
Yeah.
You say, let's be friends. You take his number, you get to know him. You get to know him background. You get to know for your background, because some of the background dirty.
Feel me background clean. Clean like picture frame.
Some of the women don't got the grip, but you not got no grip.
I got the glue, the grip, and the glamity. Me have everything.
You know what you have?
Me have a vice grip.
You know what
You
you
know the
have?
vice grip? That's the grip that I have.
You know what kind of grip you have?
Yes, the miss grip. Grippy.
You ever cut a guava?
Mm-hmm.
Right. And when you see that?
See that is.
Good. You know what that means? I just play fart here chat right now. Play seed in your head to go on in your yard.
I want that dusty man. But wait, I must get something for you. You can't find somebody else.
I'm tired, man. And you do not walk up and me do all the walk up because I chat to you. It's easy to scam people.
Me did send if we go do that, the job did not you pick up that professional.
More money.
Same.
Pimp him again. Oh God, the poor boy. But you know, you say no sense. You name chair. You know no sense. You fool. You fool for me. I'm an idiot that.
That's why I had this in my payday and taking money so.
But you know, no girl could do me that. You idiot. What do you make sense? Yeah. So you're mad for that.
In gone from the road, in gone from the road. Most likely we are run bar and go meet.
Oh. You understand. But girl, I don't feel no way somebody make a see the man but I truly way you give me like a twerk dance. No man.
See which man?
Eh?
See
The
which
pastor
man?
man.
See which?
The pastor man.
We got Bible study and one man did one look shit. I'm a walker and
Me no want you. Me no want you. Listen me. I want you. Right? I want you.
I want or say I want. Show you say you know you're a sick fellow.
Me not tell you to come back in my yard.
Why don't back in your yard?
How your father is a blasted idiot. You know, she say he's a bad little picnic. And a thief and a criminal.
No, he's a blasted idiot. For realize your daughter is an idiot.
Hi. That's why I had this.
You see? Show me your friend and me tell you who you are. He's a bad technical picnic like a sheep.
Me no bad kid.
Him.
I feel apartheid jeans this year. I feel apartheid jeans.
Which part?
So.
Are your mother part of jeans again?
No.
You whole lot, you don't see a favor of mama, you don't favor me.
Are you me
Everything.
favor? The only thing me do come out for here.
So I call me ugly.
Indirectly, yeah.
I call I ugly.
Indirectly.
Stop it kind of ugly. Because I see my life. My own. And you're the only man ever refused me.
Hello. Hello.
Look, crackers, behave yourself.
You still have this bed. Breast milk still there in your mouth. So I don't know what you're
That's
talking
what
about.
I feel me now. I want you. I want
Wow.
Daddy.
What?
Daddy.
What?
He said talk to you.
No,
Let me
listen.
talk to you now. Should I say talk to you? How are you?
I'm fine.
Which part you did there?
I was on the road.
Doing?
I want big nose girl. Every time you see me on the road, you try to pick me like me an idiot. A while ago, I try, oh, we meet up again. Can we deal with the stuff that was? I don't do
Me not
that.
go pimp you.
Stop touch me, pa.
But me want your father. Are you the right man? Because you know better. You know what is best.
You know what you do? It's one to one. One for the road.
Where we are going for road, Cody?
I don't think it's see you
Who
one
you
to
want
one.
here come here?
No, me are going in bed. You go on the road.
You take one.
My father.
One.
When they have go,
Why not tell you how to chat to him? What me say?
Me say me not gonna wait.
Me don't want you back in here.
Yeah. Which part me I go?
Go.
Girl, me a wait for you now.
Come on, wait for you. One.
Me a wait
Me
for
say
you.
come. Me say
Oh, come for you talk to your father, no man. Talk to your father, me want your
just
father.
talk to me
Me
for
say
where.
what?
Me don't mean that way then.
What me just say a while ago?
Me wait. No, me not go nowhere yet. Me soon go on. Me
One.
tired.
Come on, tired. Out of yard.
Me say me not going nowhere. Sure.
Come pick me, come on. Say father, make you come out there. Come on now.
Make sure you come back here.
I'll test me. You see me?
Test me for what?
Alright, man.
Yeah, go on in and me a come back
What?
with you.
Me soon come.
Come in. Come back with me. Come back with me now. Alright.
Hello. Evening.
Evening.
So you can't go and so
Yeah, talk to me, touch me, just touch me so.
because me like how you look.
Like how me look.
Yeah, you look like my type.
I mean, just regular fishing, me have fishing.
That means you have money then.
So me fishing, that means I have money.
Then the fisherman not make money.
And I sell myself fishing, I miss.
Then what you do? What you do for your
Catch fish,
living?
I cook me dinner.
No, what you do for your living?
Oh, the business man.
Oh. Business.
Me?
I like that. Yeah, you can start out something, you know.
Start out, what kind of stuff?
Stop going like you do.
I don't know, you said something we can start out.
How long you live on earth for?
Long.
So you must know when me say start out something, agree to something, make a plan or do something.
Oh, you want work-wise? This is your talk about. Work-wise. I want
No.
you want to be fishing buddy. I want to be fishing buddy.
And something with body, but me no know.
That's a bit funny.
Think about you know. You have money. Yes. You have both the money.
No.
So we can do something then.
No.
Yes, right now. Just make sure you have money, you know.
Yeah, man. Yeah, money.
So how will you live?
Alright.
Alright, that's where you live.
Yeah, just out of the yard, I come from.
So what you want with it?
Are you they make plans, you know, Mr. And me I make the plans, so yeah, make the plans.
Just make sure you have money. Once you have money, everything go good.
So, if me don't have money, you don't do no.
No. But if you do that without money.
Yeah, come.
Yeah, come on.
Sure. We don't ramp.
That would make sense. You can't do it. Take your money, true, though.
Me did tell you things, so me nah, man. No, me need bother to go out. No, we can't go by the beach and I'm go tired and we can't go catch no fish.
Anyways, that money.
Oh, hey, money. Hold on. Well, listen now.
How will you take me for? Where money? Where money will you say have in your pocket?
I have no money for me.
So I trick me?
Eh?
I trick me?
You know, check your names. You see me, you don't know me from Adams. You just say, I'm just
And you just rule. After you tell me say I have money, where money there? Where money? Where money? And money me I look
so
money.
let me get the money now.
You can't just walk there right now me now. Who only for pain and them belly bottom and this there tell me say you not no money.
Money.
Hey boy, why you not? Why here? I happy book you. I'll let this come on.
Yeah.
If me ever see her around,
Shut him up,
think with
what's
the
that?
ask to say, who that girl is? I think you know everybody.
So much you cannot put up on me.
You know what you need, yeah. Hello.
You're so brawling and just walk up and touch people themselves.
What's your name?
Will you touch me for?
I'm not touch your for.
You
I'm
know
seeing
why
on the
you touch
area.
me? So, me knew.
You know where you come from?
Which part you live?
Me not have to tell her that.
No, such a
The girl
bright.
come in our area and I'll go and like you want to try this way for me.
So,
Girl, me bun the nose.
bad so?
Yeah. Chop.
Hello, yes, my name is Kayla. What's yours?
Kira.
Kira. She's like Kira.
So 3K, Kayla, Kira.
Right. Choke on my friends.
No.
Not true.
No.
Right.
She not have no manners when I like it. I
You have manners.
Ask her again because she not
Don't
known.
speak up in my face. Chop.
Stop
You
being
still
so.
have a stick.
Hello.
Got your favor
Hello.
back
You know, come this my friend. Now what she say about stick? Don't me
Then
start
talk
on
to your
you.
friend.
Behave yourself. As me as you know, so I will live away.
My mother.
Your mother? See madam who come from?
Same thing.
Same thing. Oh, so I'm gonna move.
Nothing.
So let's move and come in or something. Let's get a life. Yeah? Oh, mom, I have different skills. Where you go?
I'm not going to win.
You sure that part?
I beg she vex and gone.
Make she go on.
You talk about make she go because my number one friend that.
Then go on too.
My girl, take me touch this mom. You send me here.
You're bad so?
You're more than bad, so. So everything alright? Girl, walk come on here, so we have a conversation about life and prosperity.
Yeah, girl.
So you don't have a man?
Me not have no man else here come. Me want one man. Me have to go look one man.
Eh?
One
man?
rich man do.
Man, which man you look? Come here, I can't want man in here. Man, which man you
One
look?
cute black boy, not sure.
You see cute black boy? You see your friend come here, juke out your eye.
It
Me
why you
and
have to
me
go
still-
fight for him.
No, me not fight for nothing. Come here just...
As me as a girl, me want some money.
Don't get money from
You
me.
know what money?
What we can
Then
do?
one man. How we got to do
No, or I can go sell your body from the bridge.
me and you.
Why?
But you tell me if you do that, what we have to do it.
No, me not do that, baby love.
Then me not do it either.
Look girl, listen to me. You have the face, you have the body, you have everything. You will get any man you want. You understand?
You understand? As a friend, it's what we
You
have
can
to
go
do.
see. Girl, you got church. Yes.
Hello.
And the library, yes, daddy.
Are you say library? You say you come?
No, library, me I come from daddy.
Which library you talk about?
The library downtown.
Library downtown.
Yeah.
Kayla,
Eh?
you tell me say you left go library.
Yeah.
And the library are roadside there upon Kayla.
Daddy, I walk, me follow. Oh, me I walk.
Hello.
Hi,
Who are you?
my name is Kira.
Kira. And who are you to my daughter?
She's my friend.
She's your friend. Okay, you know, he's a Christian, you know, a certain type of attitude, you know, really tolerate, you know. You understand me?
Yes, I
And me teach him, I always teach him, say, don't keep no bad company.
What's your real bad company?
Me can't admire that. Are you a Christian?
Yes, sir. My God, church.
Which church? Hold on. So, oh, you're a Christian and you're just so.
Hey,
Look
no
at all
feel
the
me
neighbor.
clothes.
Look at all the neighbor ring and them something. The Christian not after you
That
so.
no say.
You don't give Christian bad reputation.
That doesn't say.
You come here, you never talk no bad.
Right.
You come here, you never talk about nothing about no man, nothing bad. You come here, you never talk about.
Look here. Me not have to come here but talk about nothing bad. Look on the girl that dress, or girl dress. And I see a bad company she have pick up.
Look where your daughter in a way a Christian. Leave her alone.
And
You
look
don't come here, you
But
never
number
talk
one,
about- listen to me, you don't come here, you never talk about no man.
Me never tell Kayla to left the yard.
You
You say me go library.
She alright, I will upward she say she go to the library. I will say, oh.
But when she go library, me never see her in a something. I know something like that she wear. I could never that you go library.
No, I want to have no clothes. See me, daddy.
I see licking on you.
I'm in the left the yard.
Who?
I'm in the left the yard neither.
Concentrate your
Fast.
son. Thank you, I'll lick you.
Right.
Turn up your
Yeah,
son.
Christian, I feel like with.
Anyway, since I say you're a Christian, we have some Bible study and something up for we. I'm not interested. Are you interested?
I want a good friend. Listen to me, the good friend. You see, next one I did have,
Yeah.
eh? Me never say she a bad company, you know, but you can stick to she more.
Yeah, that friend, let me see how we talk to. Across is that, but guess what?
No,
You look
Daddy,
like
no,
you will
don't
change.
do that.
You look
Don't
like
do
you will
that.
change.
Me prefer next friend.
Right.
Me prefer the next friend too.
My number one friend,
Me
that.
girl
Right.
look like more upward and mother. No disrespect.
No, it's my daughter.
You look like you with
No,
upward
but
with your
listen,
daughter,
hello, no, listen, remember I
Don't
don't
slap
know
off your
you.
face.
Shut up,
No supper face can go on yourself.
I know that.
Remember say you're Christian, no, Daddy. Me I don't know.
Anyway,
Listen, me
anyway,
know-
come
me
on.
know- me know the
Anyway,
next
come.
friend.
We are go up here because we are Bible
Jesus.
study later. Come.
Alright.
Look come. Okay, look come.
Girl, like, who your mother and your father turn to?
They're not Christian. What are they still?
No man, they really can't be.
Because I'm me to live with you. It just me that want to look day and have problems.
If they deal with me, if them attack so, how they deal with you?
Worse, them chat every day, they get up there and chat, they read Bible. Oh, yeah, coach.
Yeah, I'm good at work tonight. One party, I keep down the road.
You can't go on the road tonight. I'm sorry.
You're too fool.
No, it's not a matter of foolishness. Me come out the house 9 night yesterday, but yes or no?
Country window.
No. Me not gonna know left my friend and my friend not like you. So we can go on the road. Me have to back up my number one friend. Kena, she's my heartbeat. My wonderland. She's my friend. Understand?
Yeah, me
So what? We
understand.
need to get a man so man can. Hi, mommy.
I. You know.
Yeah,
You get ready?
Yeah.
You get ready?
yeah.
Alright. Where does you come from?
Me live right down the road, but we moved from St. Elizabeth.
Okay. So your work?
Yeah, me work.
Which part of work?
One supermarket.
Where's supermarket name?
And Mr. Chin supermarket.
You can get to work down there, sir?
Yeah, me can get one work for you, yes.
No.
Yeah,
What you
me
mean
work.
Me can't leave school and jungle look up for me.
Mm-hmm.
No, so I don't want supermarket work. Me don't want to work at
Nothing wrong with that.
Nothing wrong with supermarket.
No, me go to school for 5 years and me now come and left go work at supermarket. You're mad.
So who never go to school?
Probably you have 5 subjects, me have how much you got.
You know have to tell her that, girl.
You don't have none. I don't have supermarket with me. Daddy get me a job which part him work.
Well, call him.
Me get a high class job.
Well, call him and tell him that.
Yes. Daddy! Boy, you want people work at supermarket. Without a bother. Look at the supermarket.
Yes.
Come here!
Yes, my nice clean daughter.
Yeah. We need that work because mommy the time when you want to work at supermarket.
What kind of supermarket work?
No, ask mommy that.
Hello. My daughter can leave school in 5 subjects and thinks him go work at supermarket. We never send him go to school for work at change to work at
So wrong with
supermarket.
supermarket work.
Listen to me. Our people are not no subject. If I go do teaching and go do police work or do something else, or me get work done at the place where me I work.
If you got turn police, man go be informer.
And every police are informer. Me tell you
Everybody
that.
is an informer.
You can use everybody for everybody fraud. You see, me tell you something. What kind of work? You see, any work you want me, I will make you be the make you do the work. You get what me I say?
Yeah.
Nobody go talk about you go work on supermarket and this. Let them little people not know subject. You understand me? A 5 subject you have, sit down pan. You have maths,
Don't listen to
English,
him, yeah?
you have maths, English, social,
Hello.
bio and physics.
Shut up
You
your
can get
mouth.
good job.
Shut up your mouth because me have subject and when me have subject and me still work at
You
supermarket.
see, you as a mother, I'm going to tell
Me
you,
have
with you
subject
as a
and
mother
work at
now.
supermarket. They have
With
some-
you as a mother,
Shut
you
up.
need
They have
to
some
put your picnic, you need to make your picnic pull up in
more
socks.
money, yeah?
And teach your picnic sense. And I talk about for work at
So we're
supermarket.
not wrong with supermarket work.
I don't want me
Sir, me
picnic
can
like
say
that.
something to you?
No, we
No
have
problem.
You ever talk about people when I have subject work at supermarket? What wrong with supermarket?
No wrong with
And me and
supermarket work.
No, I was not talking to you, you know.
You
Me
look
throw me
like
stone in
a
a akpen, you know. I mean, me never tell you akpen ball out, you know. Me say me no want me daughter work at no supermarket.
But I be
That's what I just
want.
said. Read me lips if you don't understand what me say. Me
Which one you
no
want?
want me daughter work at no supermarket.
No do your mouth so.
I feel your motor off for
It
me.
no fit you.
I feel your motor off for me.
Stop it.
Sorry, sir.
Which one you say you want work?
Yes, I want to work at a Stripper.
Hey!
No, I
bring out
want
that
hotel. I want hotel, daddy. I want hotel. Yeah. The
I'm gonna
hotel.
tell you something.
No,
You see anything with stripping? Or strip in or strip out or strip under? Me know why you walk this
I
up.
don't understand, daddy.
No.
No, daddy.
Me already
I want
understand.
club name, so.
I don't want club.
No, I out of that. Me know why you walking in a strip or nothing.
Daddy, you're not
So
so talk. You don't understand.
Supermarket no better than club.
Right.
I know club.
Alright. Supermarket better than club.
I know club.
Anyway, we are going to keep looking at Bible study. And we have to talk about the Lord because in everything, we have to put God first. No, say go.
Yeah, but that
Listen to me.
hotel.
Yeah, but guess what?
Yeah, strip
Listen
the
to what
Lord.
I said. You see the Lord come first. If you not have the Lord in you can't work no way. The Lord, the Bible come first. Say, you see some of you that say, some of you not get you in life, you know, because guess what? We spiritual maga in the spirit. Only thing we want a man. That's not how you go nowhere.
Everything you want a woman.
I know, Miss a one girl, don't do that.
I'm 8 near white house.
Wait there. No listen to where back.
So you go.
Wait, no, you never have woman when I go to school.
When me I go to school, that was back then.
Yeah,
I was a jealous.
Well, me did have man when me I go to school. She must can get one little man. Because she
Imagine.
not gonna live under my roof is so
Imagine this big old booba back mama. I come talk influence a man in a family picnic life. You can't do that.
Get a rich man, you hear?
You can't do that.
Get a rich
Let me tell you
man.
something. Don't listen to what your mother say. Focus on your education because education is the key to success.
Listen,
Without
she have her
education,
son.
you
Listen to
can't
me
reach
now.
nowhere in her life. Listen
Hello.
to me now.
She have her 5 subjects.
And she can get job.
Yeah, she can get job, but she need a man to calm down.
And I say go. And I say go.
Oh, you mean I say
Yeah.
go?
And I say go.
How you go then?
Oh, you want to be on lesbian?
Mom.
And I say go.
Take a look at me.
Maybe I'm going to
Get
go in
a
your
rich
house.
man, yeah?
Because you jam me tongue, you know.
Get one
See, come me tongue shot, you're not going to jam your tongue.
Can get a look at rich man.
Yeah, come on, I love you.
Alright, just get a look at rich man. Yeah.
My son can't talk Christian. You're not Christian.
Nothing wrong with Christianity if you get a man.
Listen to me. Go in your yard. You know nothing good for do. Find your yard. You see nothing good for do.
Anyway, me are going.
See my good up mother left on mine, so they want to take her from my side.
So here me I say to you now. You see certain pharma company, me know what you keep. You get what me I say? You know you talk to you. Me I talk to you, come out of your phone. You hear what me I say?
What you
You
say?
think of your mama this? You think of your ugly mama this? We are broke your bad. Look for me good. I mean your father and listen to what me I say. Hear what me I say to you now.
What you say?
You see, certain type of company, me know why you keep. And when you get a good job, you understand me? Me know why you sit down and walk up and down pan road like there's somebody we down a Sablama market, the madman they way down there. More you get a good job. You're a nice girl.
Well, you're not.
As a father to a daughter, me I talk to you. This is not your mama, because your mama not no sense.
How you know that?
Your mama is a mad woman.
Listen to me. I tell you what they say. They straight they say, we want to work. A strip. Strip is a hotel where they talk about God.
You can't tell me nothing about God, you know. Because strip is nothing now they talk about no God. You
Then
get what
strip
me I say?
God. Then strip God.
Who strip God? Me never see that in the Bible. Nothing that never in the Bible. They crucify God.
Oh.
They never strip God.
Oh.
You understand me? You're a good girl. This is a Christian home. And certain type of company they go call down demons in for me house. Me not run them joke there.
Nothing wrong with my friend.
Because me other day want demons in there so me asleep with already. You get what me I say?
Which part? Should I find the demons? Oh, me not see it.
Now your mama me a talk when I teach her nothing good as a mother to a daughter.
But you can't call my mother demons.
No, me I go tell you because she a broke you out.
No. Are you moving with the demons?
She a broke out like a day store. Now them people got hospital with big on them big on dirty ugly sore on their foot. Yeah. So each time she a talk to you, come like a sore and get be that inside life to heal up.
Kayla. Morning.
Good morning.
Morning.
Want me?
Talk to you, please.
Yeah, come in. I'm free to come here.
Let me ask you a question. Stop right there, sir. You don't see me I talk to her?
Say about me call to you.
You call to me, yes, but you see me I talk to you and I do share excuse.
Come on, come. My mother love you, so come in. No man, no pay my father, no man.
You know me I say, Kayla.
Daddy.
You're a picnic.
Mommy! Me what tell me
Your
no?
mother can't help you. You're a
Mommy!
picnic. You get what me I say?
Mommy,
I'm
no.
gonna grow you so.
Mommy!
Listen to me, but your mommy, you want to shame me. I go shame me in front of your friend. I go tell you say you know your mother this and your papa this. You get what me I say? Who is she?
I'm a friend.
And she a broke out here and talk about strip and strip and this and strip and that. Eh? You hear me I say? And you another one too. You other one. Listen to me.
I want out here.
You shut off your mouth.
Want out here.
You shut up, you know.
Me say want
You
out
are the other one. You are the other one. You just come in and I come say me can't talk to you out of and bright so. You see me have a serious conversation with me pitney and you come with your I don't know what you say.
Want out here.
Inject me up.
Yeah, me jape him up. Me jape her up.
So me tell you she can't come here.
Are you serious why me jape her up?
Listen
because
to
you see
me,
you is not a good mama. You're a workless mama.
Yeah,
you're workless. Imagine.
Look here.
Imagine. Listen to me now.
You shut up.
Man, what you do you know?
Shut up.
Imagine and listen to what me I say.
Shut up. Yeah, when me I tell you, say me prefer she. That me say, and that me mean I do not jail up again.
I call a bullbuck. And in this sense, your demons are sleeping in my bed.
So if you don't say me demons, they're married to me for in the first place.
Eh?
You know what? It's alright. It's alright. It's alright. You know what me I gonna say to you now? It's alright. It's alright. Continue. She pick me so. She pick me so.
Eh? Welcome, girl.
Me there. Good morning. Good morning. Me say, Kayla, there's not one time when me come here with your yard door festive. Either ways. Me has something to chat to you about now.
Yeah.
You see?
Talk.
Me don't rate that, you know.
Where don't you?
And me are your friend from childhood days.
Yeah.
You know me how long.
Yeah.
And how she retired yard before me.
Because my mother respects she more than you.
Oh, me no business. Oh, me business. Yeah.
Oh.
But girl, I don't rate that. You see, I mean your friend in Kayla, you say I mean I'm gonna be bestie till the those part. And you say you just dash.
No. Me no dash away. I do no one walk with she and me and she they walk. You understand?
Kayla, you already see me and
Alright, you what me I say? Me not want no pick the conference. So yeah. Soon.
Alright. Kayla, so I say Kayla, me no rate that. I mean I have friend from how long Kayla, you dash more if she where you just know. You don't even know her Kayla. Yesterday me walk
Kayla,
and
that be nice.
Shut up, me chat
Don't
with
tell me
friend.
to shut up.
Don't come here come indulge yourself in our
Listen to me.
conversation.
Listen to me. No, you shut up in my yard.
Shut up now. I want to do it to all now.
You not gonna disrespect my friend. Don't disrespect my friend.
And you can't go disrespect my friend in a
Oh,
fair
come on.
yard.
What
You
me
kick
do?
you from here.
What me do?
You can't do me nothing, me just not like you.
Why?
You feel you come like Lasco face and chocolate, but you look on you.
How
You feel about Pinedo. Go on your ways. Me know. You have to tell me that beer buckle.
Check
Go on
back
your
tomorrow.
ways.
Check back tomorrow. Kaya yan na naman na. Check back tomorrow. Friday yan.
Check her back tomorrow. Go on.
Move on.
That's why you want to go work at stripper club.
Move on.
You look like go.
I talk to me. Unlike you when you work in a supermarket.
Either ways. Girl, me call you so me you can come and we walk as usual and we can just go on the road.
Yeah, me want to go up and me want a man.
Yeah. You know a usual thing, just tell the parents them say we soon come back and so on. You see me?
No, we don't tell us soon come back. We don't head out of the yard now.
Oh,
Can't
so
take my mad part.
hurry up
You
and
understand?
run. Hurry up and run.
You have to work on road too.
Yeah, me hurry up and run.
What's up, girl?
What?
I don't talk to my friend, so I'm not feeling good tomorrow for that mission.
Yeah, do it again.
You can't understand. You don't like her and she don't like you. Where you want to do?
Oh, so you choose she up on me?
No, but I'm not
Continue,
talk to you.
Do your thing.
Watch her. Really think a man and so she can't par with you too. She. I know she listen to me. Come put her here. Me take one of the two. Come put her here. Sure. You're going to par with her. Not at all.
Hey, girl! Pitney like to teach them in the palm and laugh with them. Chum! I want dry dead money me have in my pocket. Me hungry.
God is good.
Billy, give me my money.
Which money me have for you?
Girl, give me my money.
Nobody not take no money. Mommy!
Give me money.
No money for you, you deaf? Mommy!
All you think me no money for you. I'm telling you, check me, look at me. Give me my money.
Me not no money for you. Mommy!
I want money me have in my name, and I'm not good you know.
He come here, come push me down. Push her back.
I want back.
No push me, Pete. Right! Out of order. Daddy!
You Billy, see me
You
money.
not leave no money for you, can't let the yard from her.
Right!
He not just sit down on the road.
You don't leave the yard from
I
her.
want to go on out here, sir.
She push her wife.
Not in my Christian yard. I know say go.
Let me tell you what happened. Your dry head Billy just took out the one money with me there in my pocket.
Jesus Christ. Me not believe that. My daughter no thief. Me no go my daughter
Why
so.
no thief?
Me go my daughter in a Christian home. My daughter no thief. No do that.
A little mind thinks that tear me now and I post that relic butter I know. Me want me money.
Me no have no money.
Hold on.
She
Me
have
ask you a
your money and
question.
she don't leave the
Hold
yard.
on. You hold on. You thief her money?
No, that him not left for you like to somebody all along.
Girl, you see them
You
buckle
swear
me
me
in
na
the
yan?
yard.
money for you.
She don't leave the yard from her.
Me no go my daughter see some. Me no believe you.
Me did that 2 grand in my back pocket and you haul it out in a girl.
Me no believe you, cause me no go my daughter for thief. Me go my daughter in a church, Christian home this. No bother with that.
Out of order.
Hey.
Mark the word.
Go on out of the yard. Go on out of the yard, girl. Go on out of the
Look
yard.
here.
Go on
Nobody come in here. Nobody come in here with the banga.
No,
Me
man,
say
the word
that.
right there so that I go share the road and make me buck your ass and me get back money.
Yeah, yeah.
Dry head Pitney.
Yeah, either. Come on, me don't get that back in the car.
You want money, me have to come take you out and take you out of my back pocket. Thief now what?
God. I only make
Watch,
sure come back in
you post, I go share with me when you thief if you short type people in pot. Watch, and make the buck out.
Hey, girl, come on, tell me you're in the crash yourself.
Make
Come
the
on.
buck, you see a little monkey.
Yeah, idiot.
Let the back turn up.
Me say, hey, no, you touch me that and me a turn back.
See me not joke with you.
I know that.
Me want have the money.
Hey, girl, come out of me yard. Come out of me yard with the banger. Come out of me yard.
I
Come
know
out
that.
of me
Let me file the last one. You see little when just take, you're not get a worse one.
Yeah, idiot. You're fool. Better you come out of me yard. You're crazy. You come out of me yard with the look with instruction. Say, I can't tell her about my daughter, but my daughter thief. It's not of my daughter thief. I saw what you said. Come out of me yard. Come out of me yard. Have you ever church, their old time church bell there when they used to ring first time? Right on out order.
Right.
Yeah, another one too.
Daddy, me not do nothing.
Me not tell us, me not tell us everything in our yard.
Me not come out of the yard.
People don't
Oh, you worry, because you don't
Hey,
see people
you
come
see how
out
you, me
there.
tell us you're a wicked woman, you know.
You don't see people come out
Me go my
there.
daughter with discipline, you know. Me not go me fitness, you know.
But you don't see she come out
Me come out, me
there.
left out of the yard.
You want to go on?
You see string bean come here for him today.
I'll just shut up your mouth, you know, because you
You
don't
know
go
it's
arguing, you know. You're
drinking
poor,
from
you know.
there.
You're poor, you know.
Me not poor.
Me say you're poor,
Me
you know.
not poor. Me not why you take no set for me picnic.
You know why before me just
Right.
go drink some water? Because you're poor, you know. I mean, you
say what, man, me to go
you know,
from
so
the
you make
line.
Christian turn back. You make Christian turn back, you know.
But you're not Christian for a man, but you just turn back and done.
You know what me come go in?
Papa, if you do, I like woman that tell mommy, lie. We never drink
Just
the
make
money.
sure say a lie.
We never left out of the yard like this, so they are long.
Make sure.
Sure, 100% sure. Want some water though, make me tired, my head a hurt me.
One
She
one.
chop me.
One
Take
one.
me to go in your yard, and you mix up and blem. Come,
What's string bean?
ching bean gone.
Fewer.
No, she just run gone.
What do you mean she just run down?
She get vexed and gone.
Fewer.
Me not know true sister me I put her on the bar.
So you know string bean long time, you see? And you put this a friend over string bean?
No, not do that. Ching bean just jealous. She jealous. But
Me not jealous. Don't touch me.
let me get some water, me.
Me not do one if you want it.
The woman push me hard. Me not going to that upset. What you want?
So what you tell her push back the woman and he come here?
Look how she big. You see when you push daddy no push her back. Go on if you want her.
Go on if you want, I
No.
can't hear nothing.
Daddy they go beat me. Go on in
He
first.
can't hear nothing.
Go on in. Mommy. Bye, go on. Jump in there back on your mommy. Okay, what to come here?
No, come on, tired.
No, me not come out there. This is she a go here to do whole of the money. Me want it back. Oh! all come on your teeth and money and the teeth you bring come.
What's the present here with it?
Me no business give it to me. You're bright. You will take money and they run away.
But I me make your
Christ.
teethy.
This is your tool or this here?
When you're too teeth.
Come
Go buy juice.
No man!
Go buy juice. I'm here your teethy.
And I'm here to take money and me want to take money and make back and me and do the whole life. You're bright. You have that tool that you make me
Me go tell your mother sorry.
Me business. Me make my friend done you. She a bad girl.
Alright.
Right.
Evening.
Where I come from?
Over my friend.
You love what about?
I don't walk about you never day and time boring.
Listen me, time can't boring in your yard. We
You
not.
always born now you alternative TV you don't have to keep nobody company.
What about phone? You have phone, you don't need TV. Everything with the on TV, the on the phone.
No.
You have Google, you on the phone. You have Netflix, on the phone. You have Disney, on the phone. You have where are the channel in there?
Sometimes when the phone dead up, you tell me some of you use the phone and chat. So when the phone dead, me know when the phone dead, me can watch something on the TV.
You can't buy no TV right now. I cannot buy no TV. TV go entertain a friend them over here. I don't want them over here.
What make you know want them over here?
Then too, she bad. She say her father a pastor. And you see, oh, she got on. I look at him and look me. Eh?
Are you, if you never uphold with it, you would do it.
I did
Or
not
she would
uphold with it.
continue.
I don't do that. I don't do those stuff. And when the time come and me have money, me buy a television. No, you don't worry about that.
What name, sir?
Television.
Television, TV,
Oh. Well, TV. What name?
TV.
Oh. So where you are question me then from?
Then,
Anyway, shut up.
daddy, me home.
Anyway you come from, you should have make sure you did feed your full belly. That is the thing.
Me eat there, and then like walk up, everything walk.
Can't help you. Warning, me have little crackers and sardine in there.
Every day you feed me for crackers and sardines.
Sprinkle salt on the sardine is nice. Not no nice like that when you sprinkle salt on the sardine and eat with the crackers. If you have little pepper, you could have put on the same time and eat it. Man,
Me no want.
how what you want? You want steak? You want lobster?
I come in on a lobster, no more good food. If I have a chicken,
Oh, you want chicken? You want chicken? Check the phone and when they run up and down.
you go catch you, I tell me to check.
Catch one of them, chop off the neck, drop him in the hot water, pick off the feather, chop off the top part of them, put it on a pressure cooker and cook it. Adios, go on in. Kabush. Go on in, I never seen it on the road. What say to you, sir? I know you may talk to. Okay. I know you may talk to. Eh? You dumb. Go on inside, you're bright. I saw say about your mama, continue to follow that little Jezebel. Continue to follow her. Man, yo.
Wonder shall never end. The little thief get catch.
And then make it from
Oh, me no want to hear that, you know. I want to see. So I'm no business. Give me money.
Where you get it from? I made it in your pocket?
Or say no money if you give me none at all.
No.
Yeah, your friend a thief.
Me the
And
girl in your
since
pocket?
uno parents want beat you know show
Me the
no
girl in your
manners,
pocket?
me I go bust your ass today, girl. Let me go. Top thief. Top thief. Top thief. Yeah, you fi top. You fi top thief. Top
I
yeah.
never me thief your money.
Top thief. Top.
I never me thief your
Oh,
money.
here they are.
Yeah, man. For me thief money.
Oi. Why you want so bright?
With what?
What you do over here? Me think you had the wrong gun.
You hear that?
Me?
Me can pass back out there, so.
You're fool!
With,
You can't talk about making like a big fat cow beat you.
me can beat that the big fat something there.
What I mean? Would I help you? But that's true, my bad girlfriend never did me no help. But me can't say you're fool.
You don't see one thing stung for me and press me out.
You're fool, you know? You know, no sense at all. Never seen nothing like I do yet.
Me make him beat me and you run.
Me? I'm me run for myself.
Kelly,
Huh?
me say girl. Me see one big sea cow up there so a blood on the place.
See cow?
Manatee. You know that animal there, big ugly on them?
See cow?
Yes, me see him up there so a blood on the place say, he wait till he reach to a maga girl we come and thief him like $2 grand.
Oh, you're talking like a big flat that girl? She is a...
Yeah.
I have $2 grand, $2.
How you know about that?
Cause she tends to be thief the money.
Me not tell her thief now.
Yeah,
They
and
don't
you're
say-
beat her.
I'm good.
And you run.
He should have grabbed out the green out of your head.
Anytime I fight, she ever did this, so me can't run. Me have to run. You want me to talk about that beat up? Yeah, idiot?
What are you thieving money?
That no say.
Then now you tell her to do it. Me believe her no cause of my childhood bestie this year.
Oh, Tabada.
Right.
So me help you go, but you never did it.
Yeah, me understand.
I mean, they take the beat up.
You don't send him that yard.
Yeah, go yard, okay? You know no
God,
use.
you deserve an next beating. More see she beat.
Find a yard, go on now.
Me no go beat her that way.
Who? You mad? See me an idiot?
You feeling
Oh
one?
man, they walk up on the palm veranda with a wet up dirty slippers.
One away is not kingfish. Don't know what wrong with him.
Girl, me thief your money.
So make it easy.
That she say she show me the money on my TV and show me the young at the moment.
Maybe access something. There's a link on the video over here. Me sure one thing as bad as thing be now make you hungry.
No. You know, give me no money. You feed me, you give me money. More money, me can buy cigarette, rum, everything.
Me Jesus.
And me can buy condom.
Oh my God. So,
Wait,
going
wait, do you
forward.
change?
Me not change.
Oh.
I know that. I can't never did things that you don't have a audacity if you go a shop and go buy there something there.
Oh.
Yes. And may I tell us that the Lord is good. He woke
Yes.
us up this morning.
God is
Sir,
so
1
good.
minute. And dear Father, as we come to you, Lord, please hear our humble cry. In your name I pray, Lord.
Amen. I didn't know that.
What is going on the veranda, you know? What going to say, you know? What going
No,
on?
now go on. We just did a prayer and then you come and I don't know what's up of your throat. You just come and ahem.
But for the prayer, look like the prayer, they not
No, a long time
answer
we
them the
have
type of
prayer.
prayer they want to have.
No,
prayer.
they
Yeah.
say speak to God like God is your friend. So if you ever just stand up and you just say, God, help me get through this. God hearing now a prayer that is
Number one, you there?
no.
Number 2, what you do ya?
How we live?
Nothing.
Oh! I was going to say yes, you live.
Then know your father, this girl.
No,
Jesus
sometimes,
Christ.
They come like say, if bad company them what you keep, you see, and manipulate your head and I turn you and you not take. Me never.
Lunatic.
Yeah.
A lunatic, daddy.
Listen to me.
Lunatic.
Anyway you want to call it. If you want lunatic, lunatic or and if lunatic I just stick.
My mommy did.
Me realize anytime your mother gone on the road. How what happen?
No, me not check. I don't know why you do that so quick.
Because me not understand what go on. They come like you not keep conference on the veranda. When we come now, they come like you change the topic for me.
No.
No, how would you change the paper? Yeah,
That's
yeah,
a question. You read the Bible for me?
yes.
Who says so?
Me. You just see?
Mama say people them have no name, have your name for road, so you walk and thief money, you know. And mama say me no grow teeth in my yard, you know.
No, you say I'm going to have the woman.
Yeah, but me no grow teeth in my yard.
But me never take the money. Daddy, you know say you know.
And if you go find something in the yard.
You sleep. Right, you don't get a vision this last night.
No, me no get no vision.
Me not thief no money.
I shall know if you take me money or what, because me get to understand for y'all, the kid with the look all jahead girl out the road there, so me realize say, your skin a catch a fire, and they come like say, them a manipulate your head if you take up man, but I have something in store for you lily girl. That's all licking at you.
You know I'm mad, you understand? You know?
Your father look young in a age, but old in a soul.
Yeah, for sure. And my mother, I don't know what my mother do with him. I have to put him out, man. I tell you, every day I get up and preaching at people. You see, my mother now, I can go round my mother head. Like a merry-go-round.
Yeah.
Can play with his head and tell him what to do. You see, me tell mother say, me don't do that, my mother believe him. He must say me do it, and me not do it.
Me know your pattern. Every time I come like
He
say
just
a
miss
conference
already.
meeting. Either way, I left my thing mackerel on fire and I have to go.
Oh.
I don't want to burn up later.
Come back tomorrow. Don't want me to start power back now. Me don't want the girl beat me up.
Yeah, me I come power back with the girl. I know me not understand.
Right. So don't go on the road. No, go on the road. Daddy, no go on the road. Oh, no go on the road. Daddy!
Oi!
Come here.
Yes, my daughter.
Me I go on the road. Go me mommy like how she soon come on.
Go on the road, go do what?
Me, mommy.
Meet your mother.
Yeah.
Make sure you send up friend and company. I go parent go look in go keep in a local girl.
Mr. I go meet my mother and my mother me they go meet. Don't tell me what me they go do for me now.
I know stay no as cat take her dangerous. Me say what time I know.
You see my mother?
Half past 4 now. I make sure by 5 o'clock I reach back in the yard. You know.
Yeah, mommy they come from work now. Bye.
Okay.
Yes, bye. Go on in. Cook food so mommy can get and
You might get you hungry in here.
Me can't get hungry because mommy can't cook unlike you.
Hey, no, oi, come here. Come here.
What
So,
happened?
me I look for you.
Stop it no laugh.
Eh? You're not call, you're not text. Nothing. Search.
My phone mash up my father take it from me.
You don't remember say you have something for me?
What? What happened?
Come like me lick sense in your head.
So tell me.
You want me lick sense in your head? We have is yours.
Yes.
I want me 300,000.
No! 100.
Which 100?
100.
300. Every time you come to me. Serious.
How are you?
300,000. You have 300,000 for me and I need the money.
Know yourself.
Me not rap don't touch.
Give me 20 right now and make yesterday.
Me done with them the games. Done with them the games. There.
What kind of games?
You go reach a 400 now.
No, me said give me 20 right now and I make it right now.
Me not give no money.
So you want to give you the money?
Want my money back.
Me have money to give you, because money
I want back my
me
money.
have the money. Right?
So we do with all that money we give you.
I done this so. I done this so she leave.
Done this so.
Yeah, and turn the car and I
Thank
go
you
through
very
the-
much. Yeah, thank you very much.
Hey, celebrate us. Wagwan, yes, so.
No, I look
Me
at
see
the
her and I
car.
ask her about direction. You know, cause me new to the place. I don't really know. I'm a grand uncle. Me calling. And they stay with him up so. So me just like come around the place
Oh,
and
because
say.
she underage, you know.
No, sir. Me not do that. Me not do that.
Make sure.
Me did I look at young miss?
No!
Me never
Because
did I
I
look
know my
at her.
daughter have
No,
no
mommy.
broke man. You there?
Right.
Me no want my daughter have no broke man.
So you will give your daughter man.
Yes, and a rich man too. Out of order.
And you say young, you can give. So if me did rich, I give me him.
Yeah. But you know rich, you're poor.
So if me old, still I give me him.
No, rich, you don't understand.
No,
rich
so if
man,
me, alright.
rich man.
So if me all are rich, you give me him.
You have to have a crown of drive. And you have to run whole
make
heap of
it-
hotels.
Crown little mum, you don't know that I want Benz me up, you know. Me
No, me-
I told me I walk round here.
Ain't
Me
no
not go
Benz.
drive me car.
Eh?
Me not go drive me car.
She said
for-
you don't have no Benz.
But you don't know me, young miss, you know me?
Me no know, but me no say that again.
So we are quintal friends of
No, me not quit or something in my eye.
Why are you eye?
Fly.
If your father man will say what you talk to broke man, you're dead.
Me no have nothing.
Anyways, I don't hear with me.
Yeah, go on, man.
Every time go on.
Thanks, eh?
Yeah. Eh? Me keep on. I trick me trick daddy tell daddy say me I come out and come meet her, but me never come meet her. Me I go different places.
Where?
Me I look for my friend then.
Which friend?
They might want to come over yard. She beat up her. Someone say she alright.
Beat up who?
He beat up the new one, the new friend. Me have it.
Pure.
But two time we thief him money, we never thief no money.
Oh.
So he bust up her face and say she want to beat up me. I have to run, woman, run me
Beat
down.
who pick me?
Me have to run.
You know me feel belly pain.
I don't know. She beat me up. No, she not beat up me, no, she beat up her. So just tell daddy
Look up
say,
your man. If she beat you, she beat you. She not beat you, she just not beat you.
no, nobody can make me left.
Oh, come the top feed you.
Yes.
Oh.
So just go on over and just,
Come we are go over.
no, just tell daddy. We go check for the girl. Just tell daddy say, no mommy, just go on over and tell daddy say.
Alright.
You say him than your mother. Tell him something. Tell him something. Yeah, me ready to come in the yard yet.
Good evening, ma'am.
We're good for.
My daughter just gone out the road, say she a go meet us, so I don't
So you
understand
ask
what
her for she missing her down to my mother.
me tell her, say you spoil the little girl, you know. And you
Me
spoil
can't
the
take
little
it
girl, you know.
date with you right now, sir.
And you spoil the girl, little daughter, you know. Me know my daughter grew up like no crop, you know, brother. Mommy, this is a Christian yard, you know. And they come like, all they teach me, I teach you, know. They come like on the sentimental and the mental retarded. Me know you fuck up my daughter. What my daughter dey?
No question me, man.
But you see, say she left go meet. Me not understand.
And me tell her, say me send her down to my mother. What wrong with you?
So you tell us.
We are what she pick me for.
Me don't watch her, but me don't want she keep, cause me say she a keep some bad.
She not keep
friend
no
up there,
bad
so, brother.
company.
How you know that?
Cause me know me daughter like that.
You know your daughter like that?
Yes.
You see you? Your daughter go shame you one of them days,
Make
you know.
him shame me.
One of them days your daughter go shame you, you know.
So
you
you
hear
me
me say?
So what? I don't
You hear me say look well?
Make
Because
him
you come
shame
like when you talk, it come like a win.
You come here say you get vision. No, you come with this thieving argument.
Remember if
So
you
come-
well I know you see picture me tell about other day, me tell her say them a go lick down his daughter, them a go beat her, this one girl beat her off. It a go come to pass, you know, Mark say me tell
I
her
know
that,
she
you know.
them beat, they must get news straight.
You don't beat nobody yet, but watch how go on.
You must
Watch
get
how
news
go
because
on.
we see how
You
I
see
heard
God?
and she said them beat up.
God
the
not
girl.
sleep, you hear?
Me know say
You
God
see how
not
you?
sleep. You know we go to church.
Oh, be unto them.
You know we go
Only
to
them
church.
pick me straight. Oh, be unto
Let
them.
me lead
You see
her
how
astray.
you? You better go look for me daughter, you know.
Me give her a man. Me give her a man. Awa. You satisfied now?
Wait a second, look at me.
She have a rich man now.
My daughter, too young for man.
Me say she have a rich
My
man
daughter
now.
too young for man. My daughter too young for man. And then they sit here and broke up my daughter in. My daughter too young for man.
Me say she have a rich man. I don't up your habit of me daughter. Too much of you know, man. What me tell you? Too much of you know.
It's alright. It's alright.
Mama might explain so.
What make you think so? Me dey go on me.
Are you going to change your shots? I'm going to close your teeth. Come over them there, you know.
Girl, remember me your best friend who have matching clothes. Me don't know what
Oh,
you doing.
I hear you on that.
Yes, I feel more on
I'm
this
going to
one.
say I want to tear up.
Oh, good.
What there?
One dog, seen dog.
Oh, what's that girl?
Speak.
Whenever yard, me want to go. Come here, say,
go,
mommy, box done, daddy.
And that go on.
Yes! Box, you know, me say, he call me, you know. And I say, hello? Then I say, you put a box, me, know. Say, come on. But me, I'm take a dopey dog about that.
Yes.
Yes.
The dog now, I can't tell you, me nothing from
So dopey, you call me, girl.
we are best to be able
Just push me,
Let
girl.
me ask you something now. You see, every time your yard ever have some festivity, and they not happen anytime it did it, they happen before me come or after me gone.
Me don't know, you just not to catch it. I mean, I tell you, me go up the road.
Mm-hmm.
And me try to fool this man.
Yeah.
But instead of me fool him, and him fool me, and mash me up. I don't got no use.
Of course. Me tell you, say you need to stop doing that. And you think I'm kidding?
Hi. Where are the people there?
Hi.
Where are the pastor devil? Huh? Ask him father go like a Christian and a Christian nothing.
Everybody knows him for no holy.
Don't touch
Stop
me.
touch my father no girl.
You don't know the word name. Do not touch me. Don't touch me. No. Don't like me. I'm not about
You
it.
know, so yeah, anybody ever refuse me, I must stop it. Come on, why you refuse me for? What wrong with me?
Hey, may I see him yet? I know I be my stepmama.
Oi.
I'm your stepmother, money, me and take you know, me
Grab
don't
your
care.
ass by your yard. Where you at?
Drag me home.
Why your yard?
Jag your ass. Go your yard. So jag your ass for the ground go your yard.
Why your yard?
What?
Yeah, yard. You know, see out of my data company. Got lucky. Look at catch a girl and get out of it.
Say, my look idiot where I chair.
Yeah, what do
Him
you
said one. You see me out of so what day and tap me. And I tell boy one back in whole and 300,000.
Send a plan for game?
Give back what? No. I'm saying me there now. And he come here sturdy. I'm say student chat about how he want the money. I say give me 20 grand. And me give you some. And me get it. And me say today I get the money. Give me what? Me pill him again.
What's that?
Oh. Me not catch you now. Where get me with what me do? What me do?
2 grand we take.
Push 2 grand. Push 2 grand.
Why 2 grand we take out of my
At
pocket?
$2.
Me want it back and me want it back now.
No. At $2. Not only for me.
$2. You think me no farmer Joe with a girl?
Hello, you not defend me. You not defend me. Yes. Done, my friend. Oh, my God. Must buck you. Right. What you want to do? I don't love you, no. So I love you.
Say I'm the best fan life.
If I didn't know eat that one in beat up.
Yeah, me glad how your woman up and turn up to your problems. I want my money today.
You want your money? Today.
Today,
Which
want
money? But you don't say you eat that.
Me not ramp it up.
You really eat
Me not
that.
ramp it up, Kayla.
Every time, much me gone, tell much me gone. Every time.
From money there.
Me see you, I tell say, I give somebody coaching ala. You give me money. You say you the idiot, you know the sense. Give me 20 grand, I get right now for true. This
Yeah. You want what? Like an handicap?
Who's handicap? Remember my handicap, where am I also, huh? See what I want?
Yeah. Oh, you take it for joke.
Me take everything for joke. You can't do me
You not
nothing.
give me money.
No.
You not give me money.
No. You not back me for money.
Girl, that one at the
You
fire.
not give me money, Kayla. Don't move. Tomorrow. No make tomorrow.
Okay. So at this side, the boy, the local broke pocket boy, where your mama set you on.
Who broke?
Huh? At this side, look how careless boy.
Oi.
Look how keeping boy.
Oi.
Your mama set you up on.
Daddy, me feel come out here and push on the boy can boy beat her daughter. You don't do it. How you do? How you do? Tell me what you do, daddy. What you do, daddy? I beat you really and try to beat me. Eh? You see your
I said,
little?
I can't find out really kind of look.
Look how mommy beat you. You want me big me?
Okay. So your mama, come on, put me down. Put me down.
Tomorrow. Want my money.
Guys, you made it at the end of this video. And we're here with Trey.
Woof, me there.
Yeah.
We're
Guys.
going peoples.
And Trey started his own YouTube channel because he feel like he don't want to talk about it, let me talk about it. We need to know if you subscribe. I'll also be on
Yeah,
that
man.
channel too.
New channel, man.
Yeah.
I come out with a movie with mad and bad toxic relationship. Yeah, man. For people know I look for channel name Treyway Films. You see me? You know, say we are gonna do. Please subscribe to Papa and Trey YouTube channel. You see me?
Yeah. And remember to like, comment, share and subscribe because sometimes I don't like, I don't share, I don't subscribe, but you know what you should do.
Right.
If you don't do that, me I go look at my name GPS. I mean find on the yard and go look for you and tell you what people in no business.
Believe she will do it.
Oh, cause you know
And
I
I
like,
like.
comment and share and subscribe.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, so remember guys, please me I beg you know. Me not like beg you know, but me I beg for your time. Father God, please make people with a kind heart. To send you $10 or even $1,000 to go up on the trip. Because I really want to go up on the trip. I want to go on a plane. I've never been on a plane before. I hope you guys can do that. Me I beg you know,
We never go
please.
either.
Yeah, I thought I want to go.
Yeah, man. Enough love and respect.
Yeah, peace out. You know,
hot in a man going to town.
Oi, you get what you forget, you know? No, me no get what me forget with my money.
Money?
Where money there? Where money? No, run a joke with me. No run a joke with me. We make an agreement. No, we make an agreement. And you say, me I go get them.
Where you do?
Come man, give me money.
So I say, alright, me can't call police for you, no?
You can't call police for no. Because you don't tell me what me I go get already. And then you go come give me leave? You crazy?
You're mad.
You know who's me? You know me? You know me from Adams?
No, you know me?
So, how everyone there is there with smell like
And
me?
that me fi ask you.
Come, give me.
You don't know me from Adams.
Give me the
But
money.
yet,
We
the
make
road
an agreement.
come and give me something.
Give me the money.
Let me go.
No, you're Abby.
Me not have it.
You're Abby.
Me not have it.
You're Abby.
Search me. Me don't have it. You think I'm lying? I don't have it.
Nah, you can't go.
Can I make me go?
How much is this?
How much?
Much is this?
$100.
It's $200.
$200.
What kind of phone this?
Bang.
I think so me idiot. If me not get the money, one feet no. If me not get it, me I sell this and take the money for myself. Because we have to spit you out. You're not gonna just take myself. No, my goodness deserve it. You're bright.
Me can't get any money.
Me want me money, 8 grand.
You never tell me that, Mother.
Come, 8 grand. We say something. Don't
But
make me
you
go on a
didn't
higher.
stay long for 8 grand. You run. You not see a run.
Just to see the part where you saw at 500. Much just to see the gold mine up here, so. Oh, no ramp with me. Come, money, one.
I go on mine.
Go for the money. Go for the money.
No money right now.
That means I have to go
No,
sell
me
this.
Me fi get some money from somebody. Me go.
No, me don't want to hear your story. Last time me tell you go for money, you come back with leave. And you want to style me again.
I'm not telling her that. What you not the person
No,
go call me? And
Let
tell
them call me. Me can't tell you.
But you don't know them.
Me no business. Let them call it. Me can't tell you.
What kind of problem me put
Yeah,
myself? Are
yeah.
you in a way?
Me-
Let's me go about my business as a fisherman.
Oh, me did force
And
you
tap
to take it.
Yeah.
Me did force you.
You're forced.
Me did hold you down on top of me.
Yeah.
No, when I did a grab your leg, you talk about me.
Remember, so you lift me up and let me go so.
You get where you get. You have no idea you want to get a box down in a boy. And you come back again
Box
with the
down.
same foolishness more my money. You have it
And you
forgive
tell me
me?
say I
You
want
have it forgive me? You have it?
Me go get the card.
No, you have it forgive me? No. If you not have it forgive me, I buy this. Me I sell this.
You can't sell. You're mad.
Oh,
Sell over phone.
watch me. Right.
What kind of problem I put myself in?
I look smile to buy this right now. Oh, God, I'm going to take my good. I know. What happened?
Everywhere you go, you have a problem.
No, a man take me something, man. I know, want to pay
With
me.
something.
No. Suck me teeth from out of my house, man.
Oh,
I suck me take me from out of my house and he's supposed to pay for it. And he don't want to pay, so I take me phone. They want to take me back.
that phone will look like 2002.
I sell
I
this
know
for
at
25.
2024. And you want to sell me that so much?
25.
Dollar.
25 and 25. 25,000.
Woman, you are looking at me here? You are looking at me here?
With a...
You think I April Fool this?
No.
Anybody buy that with $25,000 right now from you? Me give you the juice or me art? Yeah.
Me not really want your heart, you know. But...
Me tired of telling you that talk, not touch me. Not touch me.
Put this one side. We're top about this right now. Me can't start out something like me money.
Me can do that, yes. But me have a bad get me picking with that running out of yard because everything picking to see what Papa do.
So do that now. Nope, there you go now.
Go on.
You go pay.
Go on. Go on, man.
So me can't treat me
The jars look big though, like a Santa Claus gift bag. Yeah. Come on, man. Me introduce you. Come here, look. Princess, I would be him girl. You there? Anyway, come here.
Are you not at this?
Yeah. Most behaving child. Never thief, never fight, never facing nobody, never cuss nobody. Always in the yard. Anyway,
For true.
you look hungry though.
Bad. Sorry.
So me I talk some kitten.
Sorry.
No come between me.
Sorry,
And
sorry.
the worst thing you could have done.
My apologies. Sorry.
Alright, anyway. Go look for your friend Taylor, yeah? I get the chance to leave the yard today. You can't leave the yard, right? Just go on.
What flavor in I don't know.
No, I don't really want to run away. But she go wash up the plate and I don't really want you there running kind of violent. Look like them old time German Shepherd dog with Lego.
Hello, me tell you say no. You're going like sex, you're cute or nothing.
No,
What's wrong, man?
I don't cute. I am just
No,
too
argument with me.
Anyway,
Pity
you
for
come
you.
back. Now come back 2 hours, 3 hours, 4 hours, 5 hours. Maybe come look for you on the road.
No problem. $1,000. My belly.
Me have to pay for this.
No, you pay me. You did not pay me. You give me money so that me can buy something to eat.
Me not have it.
Well, give me one of them.
Me can't get it. I have to pull out for dinner later. Let me get know what for
It
dinner.
too our belly not so big. Me I care about some.
No,
Let it go
listen
now.
now.
Let it go now. If you not give me not gonna.
Alright, go on.
Yeah.
Yo, come on. Now what? That's how it's going.
Good behavior, actually. I don't know about she.
Hold on, wait.
No.
Hey, watch your mouth, you know.
I yes, alright?
It's Santa Claus. No.
God knows how some people in this world fool. Real papi shows. Me hungry, you know? Me they are hungry, man. Oh. Yeah. Yes. Me need to talk to you. Speak your mind, ma'am. Come, I see you something not one. Somebody dead? Daddy dead? You soon find out if daddy dead, yeah, go dead instead of him. No, me can't dead. I live long. Anyway, you see, leave up for your father. And drop him. Yeah, I need to drop him back up in his spine. In the hospital. I mean, no say in the hospital, because me put him in there. Because he has no sense. You understand? He has no sense at all. You say you did box him. You shall box him powerful for give him sense. But the box you give him, he not give him sense. He knock out sense out of head if he call up and trang me, he want beat me. Look how me taller than him. Eh? Look how me taller than him, he want come beat me. We fist him in the head. Bright and out of it, not argue. You're next to her to man, you give me tough chat. Hey, listen to me. Can me beat up you too. Another time good news. So his mad and sister come down here. So what are you doing? You're going to say that on a strict rule. No. Him sister can't do me nothing. She's not my mother, nor my father. Me can't go save up on me one day, no? No, worry yourself. We lift up and drop her and feel her neck too. As much me spoil, me can't save up on that one. Oh, so you do you afraid of her? No, I'm not really afraid of her. How you do then? You fear her? No.
Get on. Morning.
Come up prepare that little paper thing.
Eh? Kaya you know me, ya best day, you know 7 seconds. After who?
After me?
Oh. Thanks.
They're removing too much, man.
But either way, maybe I feel some kind of things happen. I said the Paka hospital.
Yes! But I was telling him that kind of fool, man. He's not a father, he's an idiot. But tell us, see, you know, gone left me. And do me have up you two, you know. You make Trey beat me up. So you can't give me.
The Lord said fight to own battles.
Well, me fight more battles. After Trey beat up me, and Trey told me they should have him, but you want back him money tomorrow and this and that. All him, I want pepper him.
Pepper him how?
No worry yourself. Oh. I shall take some pepper and dash in my mouth. You're wicked. Me no business. Don't beat him. All him want to see my roadside and hold him and switch him and he don't know what they switch him. As me I said, no, after you're gone, my father come there and see when Trey they beat up me and chat about, this is the man where your mother gives a rich man. This is sitting here. And they look for switch. To beat me into them beat Trey. And me want beat. So me just lift him up and jump him, block him up. Come on, afraid of him.
So me ask you, if you can do that to one, how you could do that to Trey?
No, remember I said Trey tactic. My father little and maga, me tell my father what I said. They said me can lift up Trey, I gonna push him down. I'm gonna buck him down because I'm afraid of him.
Grab my mouth full.
Hear me, I'm too much. The shall choke you.
There's a little toast in my classroom.
Wait, give me something. This is a night out.
I'm gonna look like you.
No, you're my mother. What if you look like?
So your friend come here, me things that you want give me. You go put in a house, cat dirty thing go put in a house.
Yeah?
Serious bitch for nothing, so. That's all
Make me
right.
feel later.
Girl, right now I'll go meet my uncle because she chat too much now. You chat too much now. I thought about how my auntie they come here. My auntie can't do nothing. Me bust up a girl face. Me help you. Right.
Bestie.
Right, that's so. That's not the yak. You know how much sense. You know how much sense.
Oh, you full of chat.
We full of chat. Kupa you.
A wrong sister come here today.
If you go visit your husband, visit your husband.
My shopping no come out today.
Can look a fruit.
If you don't come back here, I'm telling you.
So now you beat him. I send him in the hospital.
Me no business. Oh yeah, do what?
Somebody marry
Yeah, you pass somebody. You do what? Who is somebody?
But no concern.
Yes, big fin up. Me can't say make you get beat up you.
We can't fight that there so what's Sunday.
Something on your foot.
You want to stone for me?
My friend make she run. Tell her. How do you know? Tell her how you make the big fat so or something run.
Just look on him, simple. Look on him, oh.
But some do some karate, something like shunya, one bag of something.
You are not afraid of myself? I'm not afraid of you. Gonna do me? Come see you run down that one and hold them so. Try to tell us something, I never got something. How are you?
Now what we walk with my friends?
Today, soon, after me, I will find somebody.
Okay. You know my mommy?
Wait, Mandy?
Me see a man.
Oh, shut your mouth. I really you?
Oh yeah, yes.
I'm my friend I want
Stop
to
touch
come
me.
up and she and so obviously I
Right.
don't like
Repeat
her
it again.
and
Repeat it
nothing.
again. Repeat again. Repeat it again one more time.
Me say me and you walk.
No. Say
Your
the
friend.
other way. Me and my friend, my one and only friend, I walk. So that's for it so she get straight tonight. I'm not she come and go hug.
Tell him say me know each other for a long time when they normally trouble in a school because head used to shut and picky. I mean normally have to say something to them and chase them off. And she move away and kill me dead and then I come back and in my place here. But as we are saying, yeah, me and one and only friend and
One
things.
and only friend. Yes. Read my lips. One and only.
You
were
are
a friend.
so
This
that
world
will
know
answer.
you.
And I want but I know that. You see, you can't work for your hand all I want you to think that have to do with me. The yeah look what call this yeah? Which part? What I send the name? Wait, it's so flare up in my head. You're too nothing like that.
Who you? Me not own me. I am Kayla to your friend and one and only. So me come back hug up her far. Oh.
So we are talking.
Step one so. When you ditch me for your.
Me never ditch you for your.
One only. Eh?
Yeah, me one and only. Me still come back to you. Me not ditch. Go on your yard.
You can't see me slow yourself. You know if you move and go on.
Come on,
but
remember say we are go for one crime. You can't ditch me for nobody. Come on.
Me not ditch you, but me know she for a long time.
Me no business. What can you tell about good looking friend?
Then to right, you don't know that the friend that she go pick up. No, just listen.
Lady, where that today?
Where want me that for?
Where that today?
Where
Where
me
me
that
you want me
for?
that? Where me want
Just see me asleep off with veranda,
How
right?
does affect me?
Listen
My
to
brother
me.
in a hospital.
So that have to do with me.
What does that have to do with it? And your husband. What you do by the way? A visiting time hospital.
That still not have nothing to do with me. I sleep off with veranda by right. And she stop and say good morning. That's Baji.
And me, if you have respect for you, when the people don't have respect for you,
She have respect to me.
so I'm to her father.
You know how no respect to me for that. She not
Why?
beat me father again. I only come out and she beat him again.
Don't worry yourself. And one day monkey go over water.
Me not worry for me.
Me that you wait for now. As a matter of fact, can me bag in the house to put on.
Alright, Sunday. Can me have your foot and hand?
You know here. Okay, one of you sit down.
So it was long because she have to come here today.
Me wait for now.
So that me I do too, so it's what we are waiting.
Lord Jesus, help me, Lord, help me in this world, help me.
Come
Hey,
here.
why?
Come here.
Why?
Where you said that father hospital from?
Me did tell you.
Stop it,
You think it again? It's just a start. Where you come from?
Hey, see? Me not free. We got road again.
Free figure road? As a matter of fact, you see, as from today, anytime you go on the road, I'm me fi send you.
You're not my mother.
Me I go tell her when you got your bed.
But
Me
you're
I
not
tell her
my
when
mother.
to wake up. And you have to do everything in this house here. As a matter of fact, you start from now. Come
Me
here.
can ask you a question.
Hold this here.
You see that one is mama.
Turn that house.
Me did tell you. Me can ask you a question.
What your problem?
So you come from where Chuku come and come rule up for me pitney.
Because you can't rule your pitney.
Why?
So me I go show you how you rule pitney. You understand?
My daughter free to do anything she want to do.
Okay.
She's big
Me
woman.
there for 1 week. 1 week me out on her for
Who
until
tell you
my
so?
brother come back. And that put me out. Put me out now. Spank me. Come now. Put me out. Me all get a call. Me so come back.
You want to know who tell you say you can't turn yourself for 1 week? My daughter will beat us in the hospital too. Well, look at her. Eh?
No.
We have a plan for you. Me and my daughter have a plan for you. We have a good plan. And a very good plan.
But me really need to talk to you, because I believe, say, you know, the woman at the house again. They pick me at the house because to me, you can't make with auntie. What's your name?
I don't want to, I don't know.
America, I was America. She name. Auntie America can't come here, come bully me. She backs me, I don't even defend it. No, if they wash, cook, clean, spread bed, and sweep out place. I mean, you see them do something forest thing, we sweep off of the veranda. I mean, you see them a life here, I don't want their life here.
When me did tell you, say.
Wait tell me, say.
Me did tell you, say, it's going to be a strict rule.
You're a big woman, and you're bigger than her. You're thumb her down.
You know where she come from?
No business she want to come from. She come out of vagina.
Me afraid of 2 people, you know. Oh,
I'm not feeling nobody.
nobody.
Next time she put her hand on me and I go happy tongue.
Yeah, yeah, good luck.
That I don't business. Tell her she.
A strict rule, that.
What about you?
Nobody cares see him look like that over yard.
What you could talk here?
You see a man where did run it anytime over so.
So,
Hot so cool.
your father don't want me, but he want a little big tough sour girl. Eh? The big dumpy. Eh? Eh?
I saw you talk like you're a big woman. Yeah?
No, I think I'm a talk.
You think I'm a talk?
Yeah.
As a matter of fact, we don't want no friend come here to you. What your name?
Kayla.
Kayla?
Can't call me first wife, I remember.
One one.
Hi.
One one.
Miss, I am not
Oh,
a
go on
friend.
your yard. Go on home.
No, you don't come here and wear me like your handbag.
Go on home.
Miss, tell him now.
Tell me what.
Them my friend long time you can't come.
She not talking at this.
No, me have talked to me one
Oi.
house. So me
One
stand up for
home.
you there.
Stop where you're
I'm
there.
a talk for come sit down.
Right. Sit down
Good.
right, that's a girl bread.
Because I am not just a friend. Tell them so me practically live here. with
Right
you.
here she is.
Mm-hmm.
I'm a
Yeah,
father.
yeah,
I'm a father's sister. She come. I said the woman have box. I'm a
Relax.
A
Next
box.
time I talk, you're pitney. Pitney
I
don't
know
talk
what-
so. What your voice on? What your son? Don't want to say your voice today. Plan for who?
Nobody know no plan.
You cannot
I know you
whisper.
have
You can't go on, you know. I feel like if you got time for your one.
The time
feel like
expire,
say,
go on
a
then.
time for you going at the house. Because nobody come out to you.
No worry yourself.
Talk to
I
her.
don't know why we have over for your head there.
What do you over my head? Breeze! And the rooftop.
Probably
zinc.
look a cupboard then.
Yeah.
Yes.
Come now. But she go on there like I make a big fat one run.
No, this is your family. If I did the next big fat one, I would have, but I'm so bad. Share your family.
But you know, say the worst man never take up in my life. Tell you the truth.
Are you for sister?
Some turn up right as I talk my brother like that.
Yeah.
Boy. You see when he did take up you, me tell him say no take up the fat girl there you know. Because he no want it. You see?
Yeah,
I'm a brother and use my brother.
But we never want to. If I know someone to be married, you don't go waste your money to buy a marriage ring.
Yeah, so like you know, say you can't look for your brother to go look for your brother.
Right.
You take a time to go look for your brother.
This time
Me
in the hospital,
believe
hungry,
say-
carry like a fruit and stuff
Yes,
and
fruit.
stuff.
No,
and
you don't have to go down there because I get one call from the hospital and say I'm come out today.
No, you're not come out today.
I mean, hang up my phone.
Me
You
believe
sure
say.
I'm not interested?
So like when I come out, maybe say you can't go home.
Right.
Come here.
No, me
Come here.
Yeah. Me believe say time for you go home no because your time X higher.
So I really
Go down.
up,
Go down.
You want to with?
Go down.
I mean I couldn't go
Go down. Press up. Matter of fact, 50 press up more right
We
now.
can't do 50.
Go down there.
Jesus, right, we can't do 50 press up.
Go down.
Yeah, oh man, me not do hard
That's our
work.
business. Press up.
I'm press up again.
Push it now. But me, look here. Good luck here.
Get off me that. Hey,
Me can't
hey,
believe me good
Hello.
friend done clapping. Me
Aye.
not clapping with
hey.
you.
That's my use of this
Press up.
stuff. Yeah. Get up. Get up.
Press up.
Later, your best.
Get up. You need to grow up because
You
that
gotta go down there, gotta press up too.
No, and she push your time. Push your time.
Get up and you got some knock out.
me tired, me can't press up.
Go
You say
down.
get up.
Me say get up and
You still a chat?
me can't press up. Yes, me can't press up. What you want to do?
I saw somebody press up.
Yeah, I know that. You press up, let me see.
Show you how somebody press up.
Yeah, show me how somebody press up.
So somebody.
Run! Oh, Lord Jesus, she come run.
Oh, Father. I wish man that door from the movie.
You can go turn back. Run me some chair in the kitchen. You know. Put it up, but notice how you're nice and so,
You there, good?
yeah, like a new thing here. You live around here?
Not really. I just come down here now because I had an incident.
Oh, my name Trey, by the way. What's your name?
America.
Marika. Oh, you have a lovely name. Trey and Marika. That go nice too, you know?
You
Yeah.
think so?
Yeah. I like to know you too. That's something.
I live
Can bring you out and, you know, buy you some
Mm.
stuff. Yeah, man.
buy my stuff.
Yeah.
You want money? I look so.
Me not really adapt. You see how me dress? Me not like them bossy man. Me not like them style, you know?
Me hot girl, you know.
The hot girl. I like my woman them hot. I already. You eat enough, don't
Not really.
you? You eat enough.
No.
You can't work with
I
that.
drink quality though.
Yeah?
Yeah, I drink quality.
You can't go there. You can give me number.
No, me take my number. You know that for me.
Yeah, me. Watch out. No, some number phone for me though. But if you tell me a number, me remember it. You know?
Your brain good like that?
I mean,
Alright. 230-1822.
230-1822. I should have remember that. I don't forget that, you know.
You remember?
I mean,
How you go?
I have trouble, you know. You see,
I
I try
know.
not to forget, you know.
No man, I don't remember it.
I don't remember it. And if you tell about
But me have some things I deal with still, so call me, yeah,
Yeah, man.
later.
I'll call you.
You see you? You see you break your daughter bad? You see what just happened here, so?
I mean, go keep my your brother.
My brother? If I
Yes,
did my
your
brother, I would
brother.
drop him on him back.
Oh, you know if I not him broke him bad.
I
You
don't
can't accuse me for what me not do.
I'm telling you something. And I think a peace and safety in here and so the destruction because hot water and this and was say whole house underwater. Me only in here. What's up? Me going to later.
I'm here.
I want to just do here. I'm not this all door.
Are you brother also? Are you because you know?
Yeah. I'm peace, man. Yeah. Don't happy, man. Rest off the play Africa. I don't know what did the heater that get to me right now. Mm. Hey, oi. Now run, man.
Who are run? Who are run? Who are run?
One year we have to Kayla. Make some fight. Because anyhow you don't have my money. A problem. We are going to tell me so now.
Mama.
Let me feel this.
Where my money there?
Which money?
Kayla, where my money?
Which money that now? My money? Stop taking up with something there because you can't beat me to that. I'm telling you that.
Test me. Make you not have $1 to give me now.
But I don't want to give you.
You don't have
Look
money?
here. Sir, you don't say you're claffy kuto. Where call the son
Kayla.
there? Everything in a one. I may speak to you in a Kayla.
Where you name?
If I don't have one. You see, if me a man, shut up your mouth. If me a man, and want woman, I may get woman money. From the first 2 hours, one time, me give man, him a tell me about promise and later, me not do it again. You have to work before you get PR. She ain't work to get PR. And you still PR. So are you I want to blame?
Get money. She tell me that. Talk for yourself and tap.
You're exhausted.
Why you exhausted? So me exhausted more because watch out. Somebody take my phone, and I have to pay them money to get it back. I need the money, so I can pay them to get it back.
So to me now, it's the same way you beat up me. For money, go beat up whosoever take your phone and not get the money from me. I not say give me no money.
Eh?
I never tell you say, for give me no money and you give it to me.
So you get the money. Make it dead. Make it love him.
No, one more.
Make him show.
No, my BFF be say you can't.
So, no one more.
So where you come from, so?
Up the road, me go look a man. Forget what you not have. They can't make your body know your business.
What me not have?
Money.
Me not have money.
You have the quality.
You think so me not have money?
You don't have the quality.
So how you get money from me if me not have money?
No, them that people money. These are people money. Can you have none now? Okay, they come beg me back for them, but me say no money. I look with the money there, man. Because, guess what?
Yeah.
You see me now, me can't lay down and make any man come on top of me. You don't have the quality. You don't dress good. You don't have nothing. I don't even have a house.
I'm not just to impress.
Shut your mouth.
Who you can't concubine?
But me I tell you, oi. No, don't push him with me. Me no don't talk.
Me no business.
Oh, you don't have no money, can't give me.
What ya? Me could have money a little more.
Listen
You
to
can't
me.
tell me that.
You see, by evening hours,
Yeah.
we need to see you.
Yeah, you see me, I'm sure have money.
Stop squeeze up your man. So
Yeah,
everyone
waste
see your
of money.
touch.
Me want a man. Man, to give me money.
Farid, make sure and check me, Farid.
Don't check him.
I'm my business.
Woo. Oh God. Mama, back to the truth. Hey. Come.
Tell me truth, what happened?
Come the man.
Where money there?
Huh?
Where the money?
Which money?
The money where you promised me.
I promise that man, I don't like to me again.
Where money there where you promised?
No,
Me
I
not in
promise.
that video.
You don't understand that's a study promise.
No, me not in that video. See there you enjoy yourself, you sweat, you're tired, you're everything. Where the money? Me not work for nothing at all, you know.
Yeah, you're good bunks about. Me not tell you lie. You're good.
Where money? Me no business about the goodness, me no business about the calamity, the gloom, me just want the money. Where the money? What me and you talk about before me come here so?
I promise you it.
You say you have it.
No. I say I promise you it. I'm gonna tell you if you're good, me give you extra money.
So give me the money.
You have it now. How much you want? How much are you want? Yeah.
Naturally at 30, but with extra 45.
Naturally at 30.
Yeah.
And with extra
45.
at 45.
Yeah.
So mama, let me ask you a question now.
What happened?
You feel say a gold me did dig in this so?
Yes.
You feel say a gold me a buy?
Yes.
Me glad me not buy gold in a real life, you know.
Just me
Mama,
video.
when me I go a jewelry shop, me make sure ask them for the fake business things them in there so cause that cheap. When you want cheap front, over bridge me go, and me I pay me $2,000. And you
They have
tell
a
me-
sense that all good things are free, but then I talk about me and my good thing. You
What free?
understand me? So what me need is the money. Naturally 30, extra 45.
Mama, me not see which part you're worthy. No, me not tell no lie. You're not worthy. 45,000 too much. If I did have $5 grand, it wasn't so bad. Because
5 grand, what? But 5 grand can't buy grocery. 5 grand can't do nothing. 5 grand can't pay a bill. 5 grand can't do nothing at all.
you're right, but at
You're
least
not even should I get it without the money first, you know. I'm sorry for you. I know you come and tell me rubbish on me is. If me don't get that money, you're not gonna like what happened.
Mama, I know every girl lives me if you see a road and take up and give them 45,000. You know, hard man, if you road at $15,000 a week, we are getting.
I'm say, if me not get that money, you're not gonna like what gonna take place.
Come back with a better goods. Then we can think about that. But me promise you 5 grand.
Oh, I'm going to do that worshiping. But no, I know better.
No.
You need better goods. You promise
True. Alright. True. Me did a worship when me there party, but me tell you truth. Man tell lie when time man the pass.
Man can't tell lie when man come and fight though. And you come
No.
and fight and you still the worshiping.
We tell lie when we there party. We say, oh God, you're good.
Oh, you
yes.
think I'm in a joke with you?
You're the only tightest one. Yes, baby. Yes, me a come. We feel like you're the only girl. You're the only girl I know. Yeah, I thought we lie. We man, we lie. Yes, when they come on to them, then we tell lie in a bedroom.
Say things I'm in a joke with you.
Just like a woman, when you know how money for a man, you tell lie. Junior, oh, it's hot, baby, take time. I saw the girl and that's the same way we do the same thing too.
Where money there? And that me
Check me.
When me check you? What time?
Then time, yeah, when the
If
daughter
you
come
come here and me don't get the money, you're not gonna like it.
Just check
Remember, so me tell you, you know.
Check what you want, man.
Topish. Hey, don't talk. As a matter of fact, your money just raised 50 grand. If you don't have it, you're not like it. Touch me again.
No. I want to put myself in there now. You better me make me put it in my yard.
You, everybody again, you know. I make no farmer sense to me.
Okay, I just return them.
Oh, so you follow your friend.
Nobody not follow.
That's good, say your friend thief me money, you know. But me
No,
not
no,
say nothing
no,
about
no,
that.
me.
You see, your daddy are my target right now. So all you need to do is stay out of my way, out of my reach. Nobody make me see you nowhere near female your father business.
Unfortunately, that will not happen. Because all you never in a you think you're a bull buck and up a conqueror. Let me tell you something, I'm afraid of you.
Oh, really? Oh, really? No. I was going to charge him 50 grand.
I no business with
And
that.
listen, me don't really want that. You
Not
hear?
here.
You think say that me want?
I do
At the
not
house.
care.
You see the house? I'm going to sell everything in that day. I'll hear by your head. Me I go sell that. You hear?
Let me tell you something. One way or other, somewhere, somehow, bet me have to confront me, so. How much you want bet
You
me?
can't stop me.
You know me a who?
You know me a who?
I am a living problemless baby. I'm a worst nightmare.
Oh,
No.
please.
Come out of my
please,
face.
girl.
Delete your
One,
face.
what about your business?
Delete your face.
What about your business? Your mother like your father not
Say,
feed you.
thank God you're obese.
Oh.
You're bright.
Where? Oh, tada.
I'm like, you suffer from diet.
Bad to bad. You sooner know if you live. Watch.
Hello. I road me just have you.
Hello. There's something to tell you about you look a crocodile looking woman.
Oh, I have been a woman.
You see, I'm somewhere I can't
No, wash your plate.
Oh, can't take my body yesterday.
What's that?
Let me tell you something. You see that woman though? She's not a good woman. I don't want her as my stepmother. You know today she's...
Me! Fidelity!
Yes!
No,
Out of his
no,
screaming.
you're mad. You're
Sure.
mad. You're
Let me
mad.
tell you something. Me
I
buck
wash
her
it,
up
go wash
out
it
the
for
road today before me go over my friend. Me buck her up out the road. You know what she tell me? Say, oh, me I go be a stepmother and me I go me just collect 50 grand from your father. Where somebody can collect 50 grand for wash plate. Oh, they think me an idiot. And
Collect 50
shut him
times.
up. Let me finish that. And when me
No,
did
no,
it,
no,
he must
yeah.
say.
Never shut up my mouth.
Emma, don't you hear upon me head in go sell. And he saying just want your house and everything we have in your house you go sell.
You know me own a yard.
In your own yard.
You tell me to shut up my mouth.
Sorry, I call you love interrupting.
Listen me now. By right, nobody can come and sell my house. Because you know no will to it, I know paper here. Secondly, if they want to sell it here, they sell it here because they say dear head, they have 8 Lego. Yeah, what?
And you tell me say I go give me
Me
money
tell you
to
say
do
me I
it.
go Bali. Me I go care for Baba me and shiny.
No.
And put on white that tonight, make it look like the Chinese monk then. We better look like
Up on
monk.
fair one. Why can I do it to fair one?
You know no mask.
No.
You think me I go spoil you? You think me would have spoil you? I'm a dog fucking plate they never wash.
Oh,
So you can
me
go-
now wash it. You say some woman will give 50 grand, come make sure wash them. No, that you saying come there for, so how they not wash? You say, oh, she come to
Oh.
wash plate, so how they not wash? You're lucky, go for her back, find her out there and carry come
No,
wash
because-
the plate. I am not washing it. Okay?
Because she take up the
Me no business. Don't explain nothing to me. I am not washing it.
she take up the shampoo and I squeeze it at the washing. Take my washing plate. Me take it from and come in the
I
one.
still swap. You mentioned say,
Who does that?
you mentioned say, she washed the plate, so me not wash the plate.
No.
Oh, that's a fair good luck. If not, when you come back, you wash them
If
yourself.
they don't wash, one day we go send a go a cop to me. You might soon 18,
Me no business.
but cops will hold you for a few months.
Okay then, that have to do with me.
And if cops can't hold you, make sure you say you have a car stick where you see. Come here, put a 6'6".
You can't have to chat good. Go on where you go.
You know, say no.
I know me not run the road, they tell me say I go.
I will feed you.
No me hand on me mouth.
Who provide the food in here?
The people them will make you like a manufacturer.
Who bring the food them come here? You don't know. Touch none in there. Touch
me
the
touch
oats and the tin milk
If me
together.
touch you,
Touch.
you nah know because you don't they here.
Okay. Alright.
Wait, put up your hand again.
Alright.
No, come put your back now.
Alright. So you want somebody box out your teeth and what they do. You go on.
Whoa. Jesus
Papa.
Christ. You don't have a better job to do? Nah. Just sit down and watch people business? Nah. Okay. Go on now. You see? When you see me, take the right hand and take the left. One time I see me bust Kayla to bust up your face. What time? I'm afraid of Kayla. Alright. Anytime you want Kayla ready, you look come. Okay. Me always ready. Okay. Me ever ready. I hope you're full of mouth when I see Kayla. Your favorite duck. Your favorite crab.
I'm gonna do you know, she said she didn't know the me say the fair dark man after today. What she run with me.
You can't afraid that somebody there. People look at them, they're not afraid of. Come here. Come here.
Yes.
Come here. Oh, listen. I say you're holding now.
Mm-hmm.
And someone you're holding. I'll go on the road and come back.
So some fold them hand to the
Yes. Right, this one, no move.
Oh, yeah, me not move.
Me soon come. You hear me say?
Yeah, me here.
And don't left your yard.
No, me not
And don't drink your when I get thirsty.
Alright.
Turn up this one.
No, me go walk back and forth.
So give me your phone. Give me your phone.
Oh, sit there.
Yeah, Give me this.
You come now, come drink with mama. That's what I'm gonna come fist in my face.
What you cup?
No one no cup. I try you. Make me not dust her.
Show
You
me.
are you, man. Me
No,
not
I'm
kiss
not
her.
show me. I'm showing. I am pop.
No, man. I true me no say you not go back me. Cause me just grab her and just fist her, be a thump in her face, me don't
We
face.
tell us that we have a plan. Just settle down. We have a plan, man. We have a plan.
You just make me do press up. I don't even know if you do press up. I drop me jump on the floor.
Are you an idiot? Look
I
at
am the idiot.
Look at the little body where you can't fight.
I am the idiot because look at the little bad way you can't fight. For defend your own daughter.
Only good feel father. You can beat me father. So it is a
Oh,
plan.
so you can't beat she. You
We
can't
have
beat the
a plan.
father.
No,
You
you
have a plan.
can't beat the sister. His sister too.
No. Mummy, you don't have no pride. You don't have no dignity. You don't have nothing about you. Me one daughter and you make auntie come and bully me. Auntie, I give me cup for what? You know,
Remember say you not have blood enough.
Me I do push up and go. Me I do push up. Eh?
Are your brother pick me? Men are nothing, you know. Are your brother pick me?
No, my brother pick me. And my father.
Your father pick me.
Good, because my face say you look ahead last night. Because last night I said about how daddy they come today and now daddy can't come. Might as well have dead daddy dead and no know say daddy dead.
Can be too.
Because I need that when I left the yard. I need the shift left because she couldn't buy shift left. I mean I left the yard, you know. Me I left the
See,
yard.
they put her out already so he reach back in.
Yes, so she give me push up for doing it there.
But
Me I left the
You
yard.
tell us you're afraid of him. You're afraid of him. So you can't.
I mean the Fred I left the yard. Where you go?
I'm gonna check one man.
Oh, you want to check man?
Yeah.
Drop the door. I left the door. Nothing I go check man.
No
Me I
worry
left
about
the
me
yard.
door. Don't worry about me door.
You okay?
One. You're gonna look for your palong hospital.
I feel nobody.
I'm gonna look at man I know.
Hey, girl. Where the money? Where $2 away?
Me not give you $2 from you.
Where $2? You see if you continue to deny you, girl, and I say don't give me money, I bet me bust your ass out here today.
Bust me ass. I'm not afraid of you.
Liquor, you know?
Let me.
Liquor.
Out of bother.
Let me. Me realize you know anytime you have somebody with a trend, me realize it. Bill no, come me now, lick talk to you, me now, do nothing to your daughter. Me just simply talk to this thief in Pitney where you have.
You never think let me fear yet.
Exactly. Me
He thief me $2 out of me back pocket and make me go hungry there.
Lie.
What am I do with $2?
And I want to come on me books out and get a little money and he take it.
What am I do with $2? I want to get $2. You look at $2.
What $2 can? What $2
Oh,
can do?
stop it nice. I'm going to say me what's something, you know. Are you there with me best friend? Father. You don't know if you left man alone. Everybody man you want. Leave the man alone because me see me want him. Let him alone. Yeah. Let him alone.
I saw you raise up his
Right. He have money. He a junkie. He have money. Let him alone.
The man.
How kind of mama you be?
Out
good
of
mother.
bother.
I you pick me a chat in front of you then really?
What's wrong with that?
I can tell you a girl.
Who a grow skettle?
You see Skittle marking and firing.
Skettle mark on forehead. Skettle mark on my forehead. Right. Out of bother. And me want the
Glad you
man.
know, girl.
Glad for what?
You feel glad.
Glad for
Run
what?
away.
So you have your
Run
big back.
Glad for what? Watch her. She don't even can run. Nobody run her down because she can't run. Mommy, me I go look for my friend so I can see my father.
And see if me I go up the road go see me one local man car. I mean come me tell me go and check him out.
Oh,
Yeah,
yeah.
yes, every time I get them 2,000.
Yeah, me give you true. Yeah, my friend.
Some more for you.
Yeah, me go thief more if me get no more. No, me go with my friend yard. Just me father see father for that money.
This family friend is same money you thief from.
Oh, that one there. You see him man no more money?
No.
If you have money.
Yes, me take a man, say must have money.
Yeah, but mommy, remember fi
Alright.
if you see auntie if you stall her.
Eh?
If you stall.
No man, we have a plan for share already.
Alright, what a
Remember.
phone, what a phone.
Oh, thanks.
Yeah, come see take my mind. Alright.
Alright.
Yeah.
Okay. We go papa your time now.
Lie.
Yeah,
Yeah.
good, you.
You know what happened to me right now.
By the way, oh, you not calling me.
That me just a go tell you. Just a go tell you my problem. She told me it was big. No remember when me put on your phone and nobody fi call me. I come like nobody now call me to find the phone in the house. Yeah,
So
problem.
your house big, so I'm big upstairs and downstairs as I live in.
One downstairs, but it just big.
And downstairs it just big.
Yeah, man, yeah, whole heap of room. Whole heap of room and hall, one big hall and stuff. and hold it for furniture, I say.
So if you go buy one new brand phone then.
That me I plan to do, you know.
Oh, okay.
So I head off to know.
Well, some just a walk trying to get to know a place so.
You could have asked me, please.
Oi!
Oi.
Me glad me buck up on you. Hold this. Hold this.
You find my phone?
Find this phone. Remember, say take that from you. Me try to sell it, but in a sell card, the whole iPhone screen crack up and nobody no want that to buy. So me need my money for my golden whole pension. So whether you like yes or no, me need my money.
Miss, remember, so I don't know you from Adams, you know?
Who you don't know from Adams?
I don't know you
Them
from
me
Adams.
care over your yard the other day. Eh?
Me?
I me come back, come
No,
out back
listen
with
to
my
her.
good plans.
I don't know her from nowhere.
Good evening, miss. Come here,
She
you
don't
have
know you.
nothing.
She don't want to know it. Listen. I don't know her from Adams.
Put your out order.
Yeah,
Can't
put-
talk here, you come and turn your back to me.
But me don't know
Me
you.
tell you what happened, eh?
Yourself front that I truth that happened. So you know give money so
Right,
check
he's
in
supposed to,
phone.
yes.
Me understand.
At least you
I
understand.
don't that happen.
Who?
You see me?
You have money
She
for
try
you
to
now?
hold me down.
You have money for you now? You have money for you now?
I don't have money
Pay
for
me so me
because
can
I
leave you alone, sir. Pay
Who?
me for that cancel.
Pay you for what me do?
You take me golden gold and still turn round down and pay me my money?
Mix.
But you're
Me
serious?
and you lay down.
You're serious? Over your yard?
That's the life of. Where me
Me
live?
don't even know which one I look to believe.
Where me live?
Who
So,
to
me
believe?
that just come and make up stories
I'm
on
a
me?
sister try my shop.
Me believe you because you have your phone.
Right, me try to go sell
I
it.
find friendship goodly fine
So
me
all
phone.
right, you don't know a lady. You say you left your phone at your yard. So all she find a phone.
Enough people know me in alien.
So she come over your yard come look for your phone.
Oh, so me come over here, step in the house, take out your phone and just gone with you. You don't know me from
Come
Adams?
on, oh, you get my phone.
Me not business about that. Me know say probably a woman and I try to cover it up. Me not cover up nothing until me get my money. Give me my money.
What?
Girl, I him alone, you see. Look, listen.
No, you should come on to my man. Me not see nobody else but me man. Where you do out here?
Yakwa.
You do out here. Up your yard, me come where you do out here.
My yard.
Oh, my money go. Give me my money so me can get to leave this
What kind of
situation.
money be?
Oh, my
You
money
no
go.
pardon nobody.
Me a good man. Don't listen. Me no know him. She borrow money from me. Only she have money for me.
It come like say you're
Oh, so you have
auntie
money for she borrow, but you not money for pay for me. Me want me money for me stay. Me
Mind
no
how
come
you come up in a me man face. I don't want you to stick him
Right.
back off. Back off on me man.
But I know my woman.
Me myself, me know. Me my friend auntie, but me afraid of you.
I am this
Yeah,
year.
me auntie.
You look like say your auntie I tell you
you
see a man.
thief,
So that
no,
them
no.
I try to tell you.
My
You come
auntie,
like
no.
you want to rub it off.
That
No.
little girl a
My auntie have
thief, you
ambition. You must have ambition.
Are your nieces?
Yeah, nah, there. But don't worry about me the foot. I know some the foot at the yard.
That little girl a thief, you know.
You know there.
Who the-
She.
Your auntie?
Yeah. You know there? Good.
Oh, can
Hey,
you
hey,
yeah. Oi! You think you done yet?
Have to mix up them and me get caught in between.
No, sir, no, me can't be saying mommy no come back. Mama, if you come back before auntie come back in a Lord Jesus.
Oi! Oh, you!
Oh.
I can't believe so you have man. You have much?
Me at 17, me graduate.
Not because I graduate, that no means so you have money yet. You
Eh?
got college? Come here, so to me.
Why,
Turn up
take
your son.
time, take time with me, take time
Turn
with
up
me,
your
take
son.
time with me.
You got college?
No, I'm not going to college, me not
You
going to
know what?
college.
Let me tell you something. You know, come put no disgrace for my brother.
Who
Not
put disgrace
because
for your
he
brother?
I'm not perfect. We don't have.
Jesus. What?
Come go now.
They do a lot of me, can't we?
Get up. Come on, fire go. Sit down there, so. Sit down there, so. You have to come out in a, you have to come out in a life. Good, you hear me say? But you have man. And I come talk to me in your informant. Yeah.
All the excitement that going on me.
Yeah, next one. Where you are come from?
Me a big woman.
Matter of fact, I'm not business with you. And my niece, me come down here for this.
Me don't want your business with your me daughter, business with your
Open the
brother.
door.
What me want? Open what?
She beat me.
Are you still not taking?
Mama said she better than me. You defend me.
We have to. I'm going to beat up to. Go on your ways, yeah.
You can't bother.
Oh.
You know.
You didn't say that, man?
Yes. She be say if take me man, the money man. Where
You
did
take
give
the
me?
man for. How can I move you been?
She take the man. She take the
She
man.
has 17
Let me tell you
now.
something. Me not take nobody, man.
She go depend with me man.
You see me? Did they turn up, right?
Mm-hmm.
You see I'm next woman door and you see the man.
Mm-hmm.
That means me the man there?
Yeah.
We can talk that.
No. Me never talk to me man.
You know what? Stop.
Hey, don't.
You go
Hey,
back.
don't lick him. 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 Lick him back. Don't let him.
My next one too.
I must hold your girl.
Sir,
Huh?
Evelyn, let me beg your money to buy something.
At least it's Evelyn. But, you know me?
No? What's next here?
So you know if you have money.
No, me just ask.
Why? You work?
No. I think I look at me.
Mama, don't tell nobody that. You not tell nobody that. You don't know look a picnic. You don't know look a picnic not turn up your son. A big people turn up your son, a front sell your son. This a back road. You don't tell me nothing about no look a picnic. Where you know about look a picnic?
Me I look at me.
Where can look a picnic? Yeah, how much?
16.
Jesus Christ. Me daughter so 18 and he look young. And you say you're 16. You're sure you say you're 16?
Yes.
You're sure you say no one man you're lay with to rob?
No?
You beg me money. I saw no time for you.
How about me, so?
You might look 48.
For me, black.
You say your best.
No worry about that.
Oh,
What you are do, ya, so?
so what's wrong with you, sir?
What you do, ya? Why reason?
No, hold on. I just saw it first. Alright, you know me, I say, you say you're 16, right?
Mm-hmm.
But I'm give you a good advice. Instead of turn up here, so, and wait for a man to pass and look money to buy food, better you go pick some ackee for some random tree and some breadfruit and banana
For 16.
and carry go down the road and sell it.
This a thief, ya?
You see?
Who thief like him?
You see it too?
Why you check yourself if you lose nothing whatsoever? Him and his friend are walk thief them. They walk but one
My
thief.
so you can't chat so.
I mean I chat to them, I say me bust your ass already, you girl. Me push me there, you know.
I just your ugliness make me run.
Don't push me there. As a matter of fact, lift up prayer,
No,
so you're too much.
Anyway, which way you go? Anyway, go on.
I just sound listen.
Lift up, girl. How you lift up me black I do?
Remember, so we can beat it. Are you under here? So we can beat it. We have to know.
Yeah, what you want, boy? What you want?
I phone no one to buy right now. One give me data. Me I want somebody wants to right now say I buy for my data. So I use me account link. They say they say you do 125 feet. Somebody say 40 grand feet. So they will give me the money to buy for my data.
Yeah?
Mm-hmm.
Me have a phone, see me, man. Me have it. Me have it.
What is it?
It don't at me house.
Don't in your house.
Yes. Just give me the money.
You always have the phone in your hand. So how comes now it don't in your house? I don't sell it then, man.
Me I sell the phone, but take every time me they ask buyers and they sit there, they tell me say they don't want them type, they don't want a phone right now and this that. Right? So I will see me, man. Don't worry about that.
I'm going to tell you one thing.
And where 50
Stop
grand
poop
you
up my
have for me?
daughter. Stop poop up my daughter when I see her. My daughter said the sight of you not making you want eating dinner. Every time I cook, the dinner left there. Stop, see her and poop up and I want she to eat.
Me a trouble your daughter?
He say, yes, you are trouble. He say, you have plans to sell me house. You have plans to sell it here off my head, which me no mind the ball. And, let me tell you something. You see, if I mind little fall cup down there, because a fall cup, you can't, you know.
But me not,
Hey. Me telephone dear one. When you talk to me, don't touch me. Don't touch me. That is harassment.
Me nah plan to say nothing. And again, me see a daughter when me just left your... Sorry, me keep my hand to myself. When me just left your yard and me see a daughter on the road, me turn to her and me say, young girl, you're supposed to be on the road. The time of day, you're supposed to be where your father day dinner for cook and you have to eat for dinner. And so, let me never look upon that little girl and talk bad about her.
Let me teach you something. You see my daughter?
Yeah.
I don't play with my daughter. You know?
You right, me know that.
And I don't want nobody can tell my daughter what to do from one of to do. And me and father and mother in a one. And me supposed to look for my child and tell him what to do. You don't program my picnic, and next thing you're going to program him and send him over a bridge. You don't program my daughter.
Me not program her, me just talk to her and tell her say she not supposed to do certain type of things. You understand? In a good whatever.
Tap which not me not tap no na chat. Hey woman.
Oh!
Hey woman.
No, buy me buy. But,
you buy?
Yeah.
You sell. I sell it yourself. You whole time yourself.
Remember good, you know. Remember good. So yeah, remember good. Remember good.
If your man listen to your money.
Remember good.
Papi. Not my woman. No.
Who you asking phone? Which phone? Where want my phone for?
Okay, I never see some
Me glad me see
I hear me want me money. I him thief is sitting out of my house and me did I tell her saying take way.
I lie.
I him.
Oigo.
I him. Me say one day me I left out of my yard. No, me no. Left out of my yard. Good. Go fishing, you know, my father. Fishing me I do, you know.
Now listen to me. Lies, just lies.
See me. Come up on me, I go down my chest or something, you know.
I saw your tongue to choke.
Alright, she said me know I.
I saw your tongue to choke.
I lie, boy, coming at me house to me back room and thief out me something.
If me and him can't do something, right on me gate front. Make me have to go back
right on your gate front, indeed.
Right on me gate front.
Hey, you see that call, you put me pan blast, you owe me my money and me want my money. Me ain't no farmer talking with you. It's either give me back the phone right now, come here get sale for it.
So, well, let me ask you a question now. You never lost.
Eh?
You never lost.
Well,
no,
I hold me hold on for my whatnot. You don't go down.
Oh!
Yeah?
Come know you're that John.
So I tell her me hold on, me tell me carry one rope round me. Plus me hold on for my whatnot.
You better say no false shot. Don't come break with me.
Hey.
Come know me have the glimity, the glamity, and the glue.
You look at time I go so some did that go me hold on.
Remember me telling you know what you know.
So you man?
No, I said that
I'm a man, yes. I'm a man.
Listen to me.
Yeah, I'm a man.
So you're going like a woman and you don't know him.
I'm a man.
So
behind him live together.
Live where?
So you want to mash up my life.
Live
where? You're wicked enough.
Give me the phone that you have to do.
And come mash up my life.
Me and you live together.
Problem.
We there. We there. Cause you have 50,000 for me. I don't pay me and I like it.
I want gigi man things. He say I go like, but I don't go like father.
Hey, don't touch me. Me don't like it. Don't do it. Me ain't not there.
Me say all the time, but me like it. Cause if a man don't beat you, it's all of you.
If you out of your mouth, if I say him man, me I know him man.
We're going to fight me.
Right,
ask him. Why me brother? You don't know me from Adamson?
No, why?
You know me from Adamson?
Come from back, you know your woman. Come from back and come.
Yeah, eat that man you have to, you know.
Control the man, no.
I am the man.
Who? Man. Me know her from Adamson.
You are man.
Who?
Give me the phone and that's the door.
Yes, you ask him.
Give me some chat.
All right, you know mean nothing.
You know mean nothing?
No. You know mean it.
You apologize, no.
What?
Hold him, go. Go and get a run.
I say I can't bother with you, no. Two papi sugar.
Mommy! Oi! Come here.
My girlfriend, so.
Where auntie there?
She gone on the road.
You say it's a mafia though?
What?
Super big idiot. I don't know why me having earbuds in my ears, but I don't know why. But I'm an idiot. What she there now?
She gone on the road.
You know what say? You need to take her out of your house.
Soon.
So wait, Pan.
You know, sister, she beat you up and gone but in business.
No. She beat up you.
He beat you up too.
Where?
Cause he get push up on the air.
So? So it's about her for? Daddy can say that in the hospital, let them papi.
No, but me feel.
Daddy not have that knowledge there.
No.
Daddy is an idiot. Daddy not
Me
have
not
that
talk
knowledge
about it too.
there.
He said you.
No, Daddy not have that knowledge there. Daddy not have such sense.
Alright.
Daddy in the hospital.
Remember
I need to
say
go
no?
visit him.
Oh,
You.
and me put him in the hospital.
I'll put him in there.
Remember say you when I'm
Oh,
Japan.
me just remember say me put him in there. No, you put him in there. Me run, so me run, and I do our job, right? When you do our job, me give up and me saying get
no,
up.
we not say. Look, you know, I told you because he box me, give me in Japan.
No. He box you, box out in senses. She box in sense, and then come to me.
He born broke.
Damn papi show.
He born broke.
Not born, not broke.
Yes.
If the boy they broke, you don't have time for you come on. Hey!
So,
I be that
so how you know that? They don't look for him.
No, when me out the road the time, I for say, this is the man where your mother gives and the rich man and one my son. Daddy just look a bit enough.
You tell you point the call look for him and tell you you can't go where you go.
Yes, you look a bit enough. That would mean just enough. I don't know why enough, but
You
enough.
tell me back to the girl.
Tell you, yeah, tell you.
He not so brave.
And they come out there.
A joke can't make.
So me I tell you know what? I just say me pass me lift him up. Cause he want to come trouble me. Cause me say he come out there, you know, and he say train. They fight me. Before he fight, try as a big father, as a big man.
You gotta get food in there.
Oh,
You.
with what?
Can you make little chair fight you?
And you fit that me, I mean, yeah. Can you make little auntie beat you? You walk this like a
No, you not so much.
Listen to
She
me.
bother down. Me must say I told you coming from me now.
Me no business right now, me come go shop. Cause me not make say you she come back in here and me not get up on the road. Cause me not get no more bush up. And me not take no more lick. It's a worthless woman.
Anyway, go on, you are going.
You just worthless to nothing.
Remember, who workless? Are you workless? Can you make your woman beat me up?
Nobody can come in my yard come beat me. She my
Remember,
yard.
say me plan to put you out, so go on.
Move man. If she
You
come back
man.
in there. If she come back me in the bathroom.
Alright.
No, you the oil with me. Come girl, come here. I have to go for a mission. No idea, yeah.
Yeah, not gonna know.
Why? I'm say you're my friend now, you know.
Anyway,
Oh.
remember a girl named
Talk back and abuse me.
where,
Father beat me.
your best friend. She a friend.
Pitchy-airy.
Mm-hmm. The girl.
What she name again? I think I'm Amanda. She name. So let's tell her she name.
Shut up now.
Mm-hmm.
The girl say a whore.
Oh!
The guy say a slut.
I lie you tell. I lie you a tell.
Look
You
like me a
sure?
laugh.
You sure?
Yes.
Cause I plan to flick in her face. Cause nobody now come chat them and snap on me. I lie you tell.
Yeah, take your people like money in her name.
Who for man me a take?
Must say I take fee. Me no know.
She not have no money in here.
Mm.
She not have no money in here for nobody take.
Mm.
When she tell you that?
Same day girl I walk past us and they look at me with him body eye.
So why when she tell her the day could come tell me I have to wait till enough to come
Me
tell
never
me?
see you.
You don't know which family live.
Me and me want the father run.
You say my father in the hospital at and papi show me come up and drop him make him in the
I'm finna
hospital.
say in hospital. let me
Shut up for me, man. If you could have boxed the guy in the face and he said that.
Remember me can't fight.
Oh, look at me say, I'm party beat you up. But don't worry yourself. Me I go look for her, me I go bust up her face. I go bust up her face. Me I go bust up her dirty face. Make it a true enough, they go fight it, girl. They go fight it, girl. Oh.
Why? Can't believe it. Me and think that the girl number. Me get back your phone late, you know.
Hold on. I can't happy to see me.
Mm-mm.
Can I call you never sound happy when me call you?
Me ain't happy.
I'm a for my mother phone me the use and call you.
What me? You tell her the truth, girl. Me never know say auntie, you know. Me never know say auntie.
You never know say my auntie.
Me never know. She
Can
just
you
tell
out here
me.
pan the road and give me bun?
You go look man we have other money, remember?
Never look nobody, me just say that. Me look nobody.
You just
Yeah,
say. You know, don't miss you know.
yes, so I don't look nobody at all. No, so you can't give me a money before me give you a piece.
Yeah, we need to money.
Money is life. Give
Me
me a
no
money.
no money for me, only have my card now.
Give me the card.
No! I'm mad. I'm figuring my
You
card.
can't give that to me that talk. You must give me the card. Give me the card.
No, but no rub me down. No rub me down. Me
Give me
get
the card.
yeah, no.
Give me the card.
Yeah, me can't give me card. If me give me card, then I'll see you back. How am I gonna see you back?
Me not iPhone. I must come back and give you back the card.
Okay. So you think me did that sleep? Eh?
No.
Me did that sleep?
Me not see your mother for a day, so I don't know ending.
Oh.
You think me are there?
Eh?
If you say something?
Me Me not slick. What you mean by slick? Slick
Turn
me
on
go.
a business that morning.
Hmm?
Turn on a business.
Action.
Yeah, you know a business. Look.
Come on.
Me?
Come on, person.
Hey.
Choose right now. Me or me?
How's that turn on there?
Mm-hmm.
Go on home. Who you choose? Go on home. Go on
Listen to your
home.
auntie, go home.
You know here? Oh. Go on, lad.
Not going yard.
Alright.
It's
Yeah,
You're next time,
no,
Tina.
listen, man.
Take my number.
I shall buckle.
But yeah, just rough, so. Hey, rough, so.
Oh, me rough, son.
You're rough,
You're a
man.
worthless man.
Me just dey ask sorry for your number. Come
I
and say
have
me
to
no
ask
remember
me
it.
niece, so you're there with my number.
Me not there with your niece.
You think me there?
You just beg me money more while. Say he mother not have enough money, so me have to help him out.
Some niece I beg you.
Mm-hmm. But me no beg him nothing. Me no beg him nothing. Come
You not beg him nothing.
It's
Must you
no money.
believe that?
I really something I
You
tell
just
her.
so give one young girl money and you not ask her for
See
not
me-
even a little piece.
No, I love help people.
They love help people.
Come
Hey,
and tell
boy,
us something. I'll be
let me tell you
good.
something. I got a lick out every. Alright, give me phone.
Wow. That's your rough going on there.
That's none of your business. It's
No-
when you
not
catch
yet.
this so we journey did this so. But we're not journey this so
But
right
your
now.
number
Later.
enough though. Call you.
So can I run for the one yard pedo? Me have to get rid of. Let me get rid of. Hello. You miss, come here. Me and you not friend enough. You're my best friend, kind of friend. Me ain't no friend or nothing, right? So why you stop me? Because my ear say, you on the road, I call me whore, slut, and about me have one bag and about me I sell my body. Me? No, me. Because I can't spread news about me myself. Eh?
I mean, I talk to.
Are you me I talk to?
Listen, we don't have to go behind your back to call them the name. We call you the name them up front.
My friend Barbara, now I tell no
Who is
lie.
Barbara?
The bridge at year one, when you come to see me and my friend turn up. The day I will meet you.
Oh, so why you come to address me about that? You're not even asking for so you go.
No, me believe I saw it go. Me believe I saw it really go. I saw it really go.
Don't chop me.
Don't talk me! Me not text your talk.
So why you coming and niggle?
Stop now. Me can't pick no side right now because the two know me G's. So me ask you this now. Why me couldn't have fight? From me I walk on this so me say no but me decide so me not step no faster.
She say, oh me a slut and me a whore.
She said she hear say me call her slut.
She tell Barbara that. And Barbara come
And she
tell
don't
me.
go ask me. She say me say it and I can't chop me. So me chuck her back.
Look here say can't go wait. Who say so? Here say can't care go court.
Oh, so
And you don't know if it's true. Cause you know say,
Barbara not tell a lie.
you know say Barbara big and life. From you see them green pan head you not see it.
No worry yourself.
You
When me
see
see
a
Barbara,
labor,
when me see Barbara, me know if I lie. Say, are you the pick side?
Nobody
I'll
not
take
pick
your
no side. Me
pick
have
side.
two
So
sides
when you
right
see me
here.
I walk again, don't stop me.
Oh no stop you now.
I beg you do.
Alright, look
Walk
here.
and watch your
Babe.
head back and me see I knock you out flat
Stop
ground.
right.
Me always ready.
Shut up. Go on so. Me I go confront
I took
this Barbara girl.
off my head in front of her.
Sometimes you do some things irrelevant. Me I go confront that Barbara girl fear and things. So you know some still got your back. Continue your ways.
Me and you too. You? Now have
Go
up
on.
you. Now have up you.
What not termite?
We are called termite, bullbuck, and double
Shut up,
conqueror.
conqueror. Chop.
Oh my God. Now what I know. Mommy, me need to talk to you. You can't really need to get rid of that woman.
Are you again?
That woman take him, man. Yeah, that's what I'm chatting for.
So you really make woman gonna go to Cameron?
Auntie, do it. Me up there and me and chat nicely and softly, right? Woman come and tell Che, say Che must choose. If Che want me or she, guess who Che choose? She!
But we must say people money now, we must say you first take it.
No, I never know people, man. Che, I didn't mind, man. Me just, no, Che never mind, man. I say pinch Che if you get the money. Come and say, Che now come out for me, you know. Me are exclusive. And I can't pronounce somewhere good. But yeah, So me can't no waste boy come lump for me and get my son. And she a waste boy, me never want she.
Allah,
But me not make that bother me, you know.
Yes, boy, can have your money.
He not have no money.
And that's why your auntie take him from
No,
you.
he not no money. He look money when you have look 300,000, me take her from him. And that's no money, that jump change, and now him broke. I'm a singer one back the money. And that's why they beat me up, can you want back the money? Me no business where you want to say. Me not even busy, me can't take one because I what left the auntie get. What left? I don't want that dirty boy there.
So you don't say what left and you never go.
Because of my what left?
But
Me
you
trying.
hang up on you.
So
you know say what left.
you say sometimes bitch as a mother, you know come like say no one the family say, okay, make auntie come and come back abuse me. But she there, she not come back yet. No. That's why I'm left her on the road.
You know picture.
And yeah, man, me left him and up there chat. And man go say you want to lick me, but for good in the yard. You know say no sense.
Over you want a man. So you want me to go fight for your man? Yeah, me go fight me and take the man left for myself. So make up your mind.
You mad? You mad? You psycho?
Mm-hmm.
Fufa man.
For your man.
Could never my man you
So
try
you
to
say you come complain to me.
take.
Say your auntie beat you up and take away your
Me
man.
say she beat me, say she bad me up and take me man.
So you never bust your ass.
When she come down here?
Mm-hmm.
No more go in bed. And sleep. But you are
I feel
you see, you know, as a mother, you see, first time she come in here, and back 2 times she box me, I do nothing about it, you know. You see, first time she box me, and she box her back and put her out and do with her bag. But no.
So you didn't go feedback
No.
no. So you make you carry him.
And when me go feedback, what me get? Push up and licking at my head.
You don't get nothing here.
Right.
Me go on the road.
Where you go?
Me question me. When you go look for your man, then me a question you.
No, what you say, I'm going to chat to your man, I'm going to look for.
So the man me go look for.
Move, man, I'm going to your business.
You don't give me see Popeye and come.
Huh?
Popeye. So you come out for?
Which papa?
You know Popeye live down there, sir.
And my man that too. Me a look it. You left that alone and move and go find somebody else.
Oi!
What?
Jar your bricks.
Other man, me I tell you, say I'm a friend, man, and he have money. He might jump.
Your sister father.
I'm a friend.
So who should tell your father?
Father God, better be tell me papa. Me want him take man have money.
Are your daddy?
Move, man.
Jan, don't cover up your fear. Wait, let me put you down. Come here. You see? Let me tell you something. Oh, you want me up? Hey. Me come out here if you beat you, but me go back done. Beat me you know. Beat everyone. Hey, you know what? Hey, me mad you know. You know which friend you did a ramp with girl? Me say, sit down here, sir. No, sit down now. I saw me and show you. Sit down now. Look, nigga. Yeah. I did tell you. You say, anyway, you're up with my friend again, but I'm analyze you. Here? You know me who? Get up and go and where you go. You go say you can. Say you want. Run now. Run.
Right.
Popeye! Popeye!
How that?
Popeye! Morning, sir.
Are you? What you doing me yard?
Your daughter beat me up the road and check me say she a go analyze me.
My daughter, I go analyze
No,
you.
my daughter.
You're all right to say your daughter called me, as me tell her before. You.
You need to control your little girl.
You see that little girl there? You sure it's my daughter come to
No, my daughter. Cause me look like me have one pick me out for his daughter. If I never feel your daughter, I wouldn't come in your yard.
By the way, how you know where me live?
No worry about that.
Oh, you know
Me
where
have
me live?
direction.
Make sure you're right, you know. Make sure you're right.
Look for my skin.
There's nothing wrong with you.
No, nothing wrong with me. I better try have money to pay.
Listen to me. Listen for insurance money here, look, me not have none. Me not have no insurance. And that with no people. When you come up people yard, tell life on them picnic because
You like your daughter wrong.
I give her ranks. I give her rank, teacher give her ranks, doctor give her ranks, I give her ranks. So what you try to tell me to know?
Me no do your daughter nothing sorry. And she see me and she beat me up and check me say she a go analyze me when she see me again. Alright.
I know my daughter that. My daughter brought up well. My daughter, the only thing she do, I will left go a people yard, but no fight. But anyway, me not say you're wrong. Me not take that from you when she come in here for your side of the story. You
It's
understand?
all good, man. It's all good. It's all good.
Father, look at me talk to her before she left here. And I'm legally fighting, no left her fight people. Alright. Wait till she come back in. I'm see you alright, I do it. Come now. Move. Me now move.
Earlier says you're gonna see.
Oh God. Where I come from?
Down the road.
Don't you sure I don't know where I come from?
Positive.
Me ask you a question. Where
Me beat her up.
you do?
Me beat him up.
So you know, wait till me talk.
Me don't say anything I go ask me. Cause he run and when he run off him, he be like, oh, me I go run and go tell your father. So me assume say she come up here to
So
you.
a
That's why
fight
you're
you
there
really
so
out of road, a fight over man?
No.
A man you really a fight over outer road?
Look here. Right here. Me no did that so. Let me tell
A
you
man-
something. No joke me in me hear them. Me want them to say. Let me tell you something. Me ain't a fighter over no man. Me not have strength there. First and foremost. Secondly,
She come up.
that's what I say. That's what I say. Me never did a fight nobody over no man. Me not have strength there. I cause him got trouble kill and tell her and kill her. That's why me beat her.
No! She come over here and say, you a fighter over 6 man them. Why you are really going
Look
to
here. Me not even a fight fee 6. If fee 6 plus 1 makes 7 over Korea, much less we go fight with she. Look here. What people that when she talk to, their face can't make it, they ugly
Alright.
and broke
Alright,
everything.
hear what me say now.
Look here. Me ain't a fight nobody over no man. I keep coming and tell
You're
you no
too
lie.
18, right?
No.
Me can't wait for you to reach 18. So hear what me gonna do. Me see the Prime Minister send soldier and police go and Haiti. Me a go make a spot for
Look
you so you can go on the plane there.
No. Are you for go on? You want it more than me. Trust me. You want me pack your bag too? You want camping bag in there. Me can't pack your fear.
But me words, you see punishment where you get one of them there, now go pretty. You continue going to, a matter of go on in. Go on in. And I'm going to see, you wait till I see Kayla. I'm going to go to him and tell him to leave out of your company. I'm going to tell him to leave out.
Look here. That not gonna happen.
Right, first, what we want to see. Everyone, you be a talk. If you got tell a friend life on me, no. If you go walk around the neighborhood and tell a friend life on me, send me a car. So where you for? Are you me a talk to and up in the side of you? So, you have the audacity. They agree to it, you know. And that you say. And that me say. Let me go. And that me say. Let me go. Let me go. Let me close. Let me close. One just come up here so come fight me. Oh. And you come again? Yeah! Because me come to put you in your place. So when you see me, you stay far from me, yeah? Can't me not in the bag. Let me go. Let me go. You not let go, me not let go either. But that girl is serious. Oh yeah, look for me find something there. Look at my clothes. That's how my sister. Listen. Let me go. Let me go. What's that? Me maybe can't fight the next one, but me more surely can beat you. Or you can't beat me. Let go my clothes. Let go my clothes. Let go my clothes. Let go my clothes. For you come for war me and then I tell me let go your clothes. That makes sense? Let go my clothes. Wow. Let's see it right. Let's see it. What? Come. You want war? Why you back for? Me back. Go on here. You see next time you don't make no sense. Go on here. Just stay far from. Look at my clothes. Nonsense. Bye.
Wherever. You look for handy. Sure. Think that's what the good you look for.
As somebody good that time bust up my face.
I don't know about the good.
But listen to me now. Me not make she stop me from going where I want to go. Because she come and say she want to run things. But things don't run me. And me run things. You understand?
You
so,
run things.
And me run things.
And you run you so hard.
Shopping nice. And that don't know me and my plan. Me plan for she.
Oh.
But they want to go up the road. Feel like me want to take a walk.
I down the road. Me soon come the side.
Me go down the road, go do.
Me tell you say me a good on the road, you question me.
When you are good on the road, go do.
Me a good on the road.
Go do what?
That not concern you.
What you say about Papa here, there go?
In last time, me tell you say me look for Papa, me don't see him. Look like a you call him and tell him if he dodge me.
No, I don't have his number. If me have his number, it wouldn't so bad. It was so bad. I don't got his number, I don't got nothing for me. Every time I see Marlene do is just half of my lip done. I might want anybody refuse me.
Your father.
Tap say I'm a papa, call me papa in a hospital.
Me say your father.
Yeah, he that.
So you look your father.
I don't my father. Me say papa, I never say daddy, you know. I don't my father. I'm for me father.
Alright.
Me and favor. I'm a friend
me
father
say,
that.
remember me they tell you. They're your father.
Who fair for that? My father, you deaf? It's not my father. It's my man and me want.
Alright. But anytime you go there so I'm breathing, don't say nothing, you know, sir.
When you be there?
Go on up the road. Go up the road, they say, go on up the road.
But no, this really serious. When you ask that question, you talk about Papa and my father. Oh, Papa should be my father. How him is my father?
You was my daughter, right?
Yes.
I'm here to say your father. If your father, your father.
No. So you ain't do that grind. You ain't do that whiny.
Right, that's how you come.
Oh, so you see the back over so and give it. When? Listen to me. I know me pa. And make sure say I know me pa. Cause me want him. Cause me want the money. Me a love DNA.
So you want your father to grind? You can't do that.
Me no days. You know who's my father?
Who?
Daddy. The one put you in the hospital.
Who you call daddy?
Me pa.
I know your pa.
I'm my father. And Papa is not my father. Papa is my man. What me want.
Papa is a father.
Yeah. Shut up your mouth, you know. I must prank you and make. I want the money, man.
Do no pranking. I'm say your father.
Papa, I have money. I want the money, man.
I chew Papa and then I take care of me. And that's I'm gonna look for next man.
Me no business. So that to me say, in daughter Kena and my sister.
Yeah.
Oh, yes. You want some lick in your big head.
But I know your fear sister is not my daughter.
You know, say, me better than you. You come like say you want to win, like you fling your property all about. Me no fling my property all about, no. Me swing me hand all about, cause me want money. You?
I'm gonna breathe again.
You breathe again for who?
Papa, go on. And that's why me I go check him. Go on. I have one brother upon the way coming. Go on.
So, you disgusting them, you don't know how that they pick you up.
It's not your father, me pick him up.
No. Me need to talk to Kena. Che. Ay, ano ba yaso? What else are they? Where do you have a big foundation? Come on, yaso. Eh? Where do you yaso?
Oh, my place.
Eh?
My place.
Oh, yeah, work for somebody.
No, my house. I'm here build my house. Yeah, man, you work as they not too long left. You know, clean up.
So for my, I mean, not say they have money now. I mean, not say they have money. But for my auntie come,
so
stop give me money.
You don't know, so me have money all along.
So I'm auntie there.
Eh?
Yeah, my auntie there.
Why?
I was saying, I never yet seen you kid.
I really never seen it. Me you know do like that.
You go there now.
You go there now.
Yeah. You don't have to give me no. We're going to take back to my auntie. You don't have to give me any money. Okay, so go over there and just do a little quickie.
You know me unfinished house.
The unfinished house. But you have to get me back. But there, no.
We're at the back.
Yes, we don't go there.
At least that.
Yes.
Oh, you have to go on there.
Man, yeah, push me so far. Please, man. We like your place.
Yeah, man, I'm here.
Yes, you look nice.
Yeah, I guess.
Oi! How you doing my ex-man place?
Next man place. And my man place. Come here.
Where you
What am
man?
I talking about?
Me man, yeah.
What you talking about?
I'm my ex-man house where my building they are foreign right now and I'm deal with a nice clean house. Not time if it's happen nice. Oh, so just because you don't get to pay me, you don't pay me my money, you remember good. Remember good, so you get meal ticket. Eh?
What's that taboo?
See you now.
Now your place is where they build up.
Place where you know how people in and you know black by.
I want more, okay?
So I fool me.
Yes, sir. When you did not take my money and I fold me before you give me back my money, I fold that for me. I get a big opportunity.
So where for my money?
In fool too.
Where my money? You know phone me or me?
You owe your
When
money.
me get paid, me check it.
And
You make
get
sure.
money.
Oh,
The food, the chicken when it's took me time. I mean, you're the
check who? You're sick man.
What do
Check
you think
me.
you go? I think you go.
I mean, I'm not going.
You take me pride.
No.
You take me pride. Me pride.
Oh,
Me
you don't take me money. You don't take me money.
Where me want you? Yes. Me like this.
Be like,
Me like this
Be
man.
like.
You thief and that if you get people, you thief your pride.
Uncle and done. For run and kick you down.
And me I worry about look back at you.
I be come to beat me and done. You ever get used to the beating them in your mind?
When
Just
are
beat
you
me
done
and
yourself?
I take back your man from you.
I take back your man.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yes, me give him my pride. Although a chicken trick me.
Come on.
You,
Tell us that's all.
me tell you up.
If I ever move and lend anything in your head, you hold this here. Come. Wally good. You come, go out there so the land, come. You want man, this is man. Well up in my ear, come, up in my ear, come.
Yes.
Say I must stop take people man, come. What?
I must stop taking people.
Yes, come.
I must stop
come,
taking
come, say I want. Go on.
I must stop taking. Me now, don't mind now. You say me tap now.
Yeah, but this was an hour.
I must. Oh yeah, what do that?
Come. What? I must stop
I
take
must
people
stop
man.
it, but you embarrass me.
Come. Stop
I
man.
must stop taking people, man. I must stop taking people.
Come.
I must stop it. But me not take nobody money, you know. I take the money.
Take which money?
The man them money, I pin them.
Fill them.
Yeah, me
Come.
want give my coochie.
I must not promise man coochie. Come put
I
it
must
on.
not promise man coochie.
Yes, I must not. Sorry,
I
do
must-
this.
I must not promise man
Come,
coochie.
continue.
I must not promise man coochie
Continue.
and take the money. I must not. I must
Yes,
not.
I must not promise
Yes, I
man
must-
coochie.
I must
Continue.
I must not promise man. I must not promise man coochie.
Good. I
Yes.
must stop take people man. Tell that too.
I must stop take people, man.
Come, continue. Go.
I must
Like
stop
that
take people, man.
embarrass my community, yeah.
I embarrass you,
Don't
embarrass.
take people, man, too much.
Eh?
Did you say auntie have a fire what I do?
Yes.
Ah, put up your hand in our ear.
What? Put it
I
up,
must
girl.
stop take people
This
man.
kids will never reach me.
You're ugly friend, me, you know. Me can't take friend. I must stop take people, man.
Continue.
I must stop take people, man.
Yeah.
I must not take people, man. I must not take people, man.
This is
I
right.
must not take people.
Yeah, stop take people man. Come.
Yeah, yeah,
Ah, put up your hand. What you mean?
Where's my daughter?
What me do to your daughter?
Put on that.
If you ever think about it, put it on yourself.
You should be know
As a
something
matter of
about.
fact,
Me
no,
not put
come
it
here, so. Come here, so. You come here, so. You hold this up for me. Hold it. You hold it. Come, put it up in there, come. Up there. As a matter of fact, hold up your rest your mouth. Say, I must not spoil my child. Come, journey.
I must not spoil my child.
No, you're not born.
I must not spoil my child.
Yeah, journey.
I must not spoil my child. 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 I must not spoil my child.
This is right.
I must not spoil my
I say
child.
no. You're putting no man at a young age from. Huh?
I must not spoil my child.
I know that myself for a while ago. You want one that is back behind your back? What me say?
I must not make my daughter take man at a tender age. I must not make my daughter take man in a tender age. I must not make my daughter take man in tender age. I must not make my daughter take man in tender age. I must not make my daughter take man in tender age. I must
Journey
not
man,
make my
journey,
daughter take
continue
man
with it. Talk Lord.
I must not spoil my daughter.
I
I must not spoil my daughter. I must not spoil my daughter. I must not spoil my daughter.
Hallelujah, praise God. You do a good job, my sister. You do a good job. You do a good job, my sister. You do a good job. You know long me go up, me and pray say God you can't change him, God, and God really work out it for me. You do a good job, my sister. You do a good job. Thank you.
Oi! See to me. So, sorry. Me last the tempo. I tempo me last.
Oh, you did a prayer.
When me did I talk to you, you never hear when me I talk to you, say.
See what in the hospital.
And you
I
see
tell
now?
a lie.
Oh,
It's
I
a
check
lie.
me chicken no man.
A chick
When you
way.
feel say, eh? When you feel say, that time me dey on fasting and prayer, fi God change you from look dirty wicked and your crosses, mama, we are broke you out.
Your time me change. Me change, daddy.
Me glad you
I'm so
change.
sorry, daddy. Me sorry for everything.
Sorry for yourself.
Me sorry, daddy.
Sorry for yourself.
Thank
you, Jesus. You do it again, Lord.
Hospital and your father did the hospital. I saw no go look for him. Not one time.
Thank you, my sister.
Man.
So you have to love my sister.
Your brother is not a good man, you know. Come here to the friend. Your brother is not a good man, you know.
Why
Me
no
change.
change? A good man.
You not change. Say you change.
Me not change because me not take man for him. Me not change.
Take man for me.
Me change.
That is your glory. But
I
anything you
have
do,
changed.
you do yourself.
Because
Let me
you're
tell you
not
that.
a good man.
Not a good man. Go on, no use until until it cut off. My grandmother tell me that.
Change. Yes, I have changed.
I'm glad you changed my
Me
daughter.
no come down here for change bull buck and dopey canker.
Yeah.
Are you come down here for change?
Me
Because
change.
me
Are you
don't
come
want
down?
what to you.
Are you come on?
Me top take people man now. Me
You
go over
take
college.
people-
Yes.
I'm a teller.
Me change.
Eh, imagine you left school with 5 subjects. 5 subjects. You see? First you say you want to go work as stripper. And you want to go work. Me tell you, say, me no strip in or strip out or strip anywhere. Me know you work at them place there. Either you go in the force or do something nice. Me tell you, say, me love you, my daughter. And me talk to you, make you look out, Baba, about mama. Sit down and I put man in your head. Me glad you learn. Me glad thank you, my
love you
sister.
too. Me love you too, daddy. I have changed. I say I have changed a big million times. I have changed. You not changed too.
Come like one angel come touch you last night.
Hey. Film did what I two said, but you know
Me change. Cause God know me embarrassed. For a particular minute, I must have taken one of the neighborhood. I must have people could have. All my friends laugh at me. I have changed.
I got lucky, so. Because
I
you take
have
people man
changed.
too much and me I talk to you and tell us say you not make your mama broke you up, but man. You was
Yeah.
not hearing.
Me here now.
Eh?
Come on, I'm good.
So what me do? Me check on say me dey hospital. I was not at hospital.
Come on, I have changed.
you feel have sense.
No, you not have no sense.
So you really make feel sister gonna have to make you change.
I have changed.
And him set you up.
Me no time stop it. I have changed. Come on, we good on.
That for reach you
Ready
no
for
man.
done.
No come down no yard, no come on. No crosses.
I'm here there.
No crosses. You come here, my daughter. Now listen
Yeah,
to
man,
your
yeah.
dirty mama.
Yeah,
Your
come
dirty
here.
mama. Yes, yeah, you need that one.
You know where me I come from? You know where me I come from? Where to say Which? And where me I come from? Me hear it all over the neighborhood from morning. And the dirty plate, you know what? Eh? You know, rake up your yard. That's what big man
Look
down.
here, you don't have a rake for rake up nothing. What me for use rake?
You
What do you use
pop-
your clothes then?
You pop some bush and you sweep. Me tell you, say, back in my youth days when we are picnic.
Hey, look here, that a back. In the days, it is now modern times, ancient days finish.
Listen me. Modern time now, right? We can't afford certain things. So you have to live by what me grew up in.
You can't
You have-
afford certain things, but you can't afford for your girl $50,000 for a fool, you know true?
Okay. So, and that's how I walk around and tell your neighborhood.
Me not walk around and tell nobody nothing.
I just tell you one day now. I'm going to promise you now. I just promise you. I'm going to tell you one day. I didn't tell you one day. Stand up. Stand up. I share back in my days, what we used to go through. Give me the phone. We never had cell phone back them time there. We never did have none. All them either TikTok business, they come up with them and know to enjoy your attention. Stand up. Stand up. What me say if you do?
Yeah, scream so.
Stand up. What me say? This is how we used to do it back then. Hold up on your foot. Hold up on your foot. Hold up on your foot. Take off this. Hold
I'm
up.
going to take off the crocs for low way.
Hold up your foot. Put it on your head.
Wait, then I say every time, see me hold my foot them.
No. You have to make this there so. Lift up 1 foot. 1 foot. Yeah. Use this one now. You have to let go that foot here. Hold it up. I shall not left the yard until I have manners. You're going to today I say it. All day. All day until we done cook. Repeat the word.
Me don't remember them. Me don't remember them. Tell me again.
You see me around? Put up your foot. But you remember what? I shall not left the yard until I learn.
I shall not leave the yard until I learn.
Hey, look at me. Mister, if you hold up your foot. Hold up here. That's when the punishment done, when you get 3 hours.
Which tree?
3 hours. And then every time you drop it, I reset the time. Every time you put on your foot, I reset it. 3 hours. The time start now. 3 hours. Every time. Remember me telling that.
Gotcha! Girl! Oh, yeah, dear, sir.
Me pa.
Yeah?
Me pa. Look how broad faced man. But how me fi turn up here so and say. And hold the water from my head and say. I will not leave the yard.
So, me, you have
Some
to name the last
sense.
part of me.
No, you can't skin off your teeth now, so you know so we are bestie. Laugh now.
Popoy! Well, my foot.
Me for
She put on her foot while ago.
me never put it on.
She put it on.
What you doing? What you doing?
What you are doing?
Come here. Come here. Hold
Your
it.
punishment too.
Hold it. Hold it. Listen to me. What you doing in my yard? What you doing in my yard?
Because me a yard full of fat she can shut off at me when me get my punishment walk up in the neighborhood and chat about I will tap take man. I will this.
You know what?
I'll take man money.
So, that's your follow you do?
Yes! You
Stop
look at
that
that
like
chair.
me use
Give
water
the
to
chair.
wet you up.
What's up?
What? Go. Right. Go on.
With that chat. I don't care no one with me, baby love.
What you do? Oh, waste the water. You know much water? 3 more hours. 6 hours. Wasting water and chat too much and level your hand. Me I go put the road go check the little cat. You go and hold it. Go and hold it. Hold it. And if you want to do it up yourself.